opportunity दिया कथा opportunity को
Because there is various.
ऐसे अपन कोई
No, no, true, my lord.
opportunity बोला
Section
opportunity कोई
does
ना
not prohibit, my lord, but what ordinarily happens.
tell me
Once
what is the wrong in that in airing you as a party, what is the wrong committed by the Tahsildar, that you have to tell me.
the
If
wrong
the Tahsildar has
committed by
committed any wrong, then let me know.
the Lord and Court, first additional session judge Jashpur, before whom trial is going on. My lord, my contention is that at least for my appearance in court, he should have issued summon at first instance. Because he has issued warrant. Without affording any opportunity or hearing me prior to that, he has a straight issue to NBW.
307 and 3 of SC and ST.
That is there. SC Act
Can he issue
307.
warrant without
Yes, exactly.
No.
Again.
But sir, he should first issue summon. How can this straight away issue warrant against him? You have to issue summon first. This is the system you have to follow.
Where person is not attending the court.
Not attending the courts. Kenti jani basi. Apan summon ta kale to se asibo. Aw inti apana koi hota not attending kulu taku arrest kori dhari asibi na.
Here first of all.
No, whether he has issued the summon or not, unless he issued summon, how a person will get to know? Tell me. Then it's wrong. Then he is right.
That part you are saying, but here the case involves C of SC and ST.
No, maybe SC ST will be summon issue kariyo ni.
Without hearing the victim or informant.
That is fine. This is basically a question of summon.
Yes.
Here it is not required.
It
is not required.
Your SMAC was the NBW part. So far, NBW part is concerned.
NBW can be quashed. Yes.
And so far, 390 is concerned, that will be made.
Of course, he is not saying that. He is saying only his objection is basically you should issue as arrest warrant if I have not cooperated, I have not attended. Suddenly you come and say, what kind of magistrate, sir?
Notice it out.
The co magistrate.
Yes, sir, Jashpur, first additional session judge Jashpur.
First additional session judge Jashpur. Number.
Special case court.
Yes. Okay. Allowed counsel of the petition submits that the petitioner, you are not named in the FIR.
Yes.
I was named in the affair. Because my lord, one thing
the petitioner submits that the petitioner was not was named in the affair, but his name was excluded in the charge sheet. However, further inquiry discloses his involvement in the case in hand. However, as per section 319, so the special public prosecutor filed a petition under section 319 CRPC in the trial court with a prayer to add the petitioner as an accused and issue summons to him to face the trial together with the accused persons facing trial in CT case number 189 of 2016. Okay. The learned additional district and session judge, without issuing notice or summons to the petitioner, proposed accused was pleased to pass order. Please, was accused to pass order dated 16/8/2023 and added as a petitioner as an accused and issued NBW against the present petitioner. The petitioner is agreed by such order passed by the additional session district and session judge.
Additional session was Jashpur.
Okay. He further submits that without issuing summon, the trial court should not have issued warrant against the present petitioner. Issued NBW against the present petitioner, which is violative of the canons of law. In such view of the matter, this court is of view that notice be issued to OP number
To the petitioner. OP number 1, my lord. The complainant.
OP number 1. State. खाली state था state.
Lochana Modi.
1 and 2. आपण 1 लेखु ना खाली 2 टा नंबरिंग करछि 1 टा नंबरिंग करियोनी ए हमर रेस्ट्रिक्ट काई देखंती नहीं जानि पारे 1 दिस दे आर डिफेक्ट्स सुप्रीम कोर्ट रे एंती छोटा एंती नंबर छाडी देले मैटर लागियोनी एठी हमर सब पार 1 and 2 1 and 2 by registered post what 2 moved in waves of notice on behalf of 2 Allah. Just lunch break or not. Next.
That's my adjournment.
Yeah, this is matter on 23rd November. I file को ना दी
I filed good.
कहू ना दी
State
अपन
education
ଭଲ କଥା
ନାଇଁ, just
ଦରକାର ମୁଁ କହିବି ଆପଣ
No, my lord. I thought that my lord.
କେମିତି ଥର୍ଡ ଦେଟ କହିବି ଆପଣ କହିବେନି ନହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବି କେମିତି ଆପଣ ଆଇ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ନେକ୍ସଟ
My lord. This is a matter under noise pollution,
ନଏଜ ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ
my lord.
କୋଉଠି ସାର୍ ବାଲିଯାତ୍ରା
Inside the Kotak town in a residential area, my lord.
ବାଲିଯାତ୍ରା ଏରିଆ
No, my lord.
Nahi.
It is in a
ଗୁଣ୍ଡ
residential
ଉଡୁଛି ବହୁତ ସେଟା କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଗୁଣ୍ଡ ବହୁତ ଉଡୁଛି
No,
ବାଲିଯାତ୍ରା ଏରିଆରେ
not in that Valijatra area.
somebody was telling me there is a lot of
In a
pollution in that
residential area, my lord.
ଆଜି ମୁଁ ପେପରରେ ପଢୁଥିଲି ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛି ଆଜି ପେପର ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର କଟକ ଏତେ ଜୋର ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ ହେଲାଣି ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ଗୋଟେ ଟପିକ ଉପରେ ବସିଲାଣି ରାଇଟ ଏୟାର କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ହବନି କେମିତି ସବୁ ଖାଲି ଇଏ ଗୁଣ୍ଡ ଗୁଡାକ ଏ କଟକର ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ କଲ୍ପିଟ ହଉଛି ବାଲିଯାତ୍ରା ପଡିଆ ପୁରା ଦେଖିବେ ଏବେ 10-15 ଦିନ ପୁରା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଜିନା ହାରାମ କରିଦେବେ ନେଇକି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହବ
It is on carpentry industry, my lord.
ହଁ
Carpentry industry, which is what
ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରି କେତେ ଆୱାଜ କରୁଛି ମୁଁ
inside the Kotak town, my lord. That when they are using high power electric machine, cutter,
Okay.
and other electric machines are there. It is creating too much of noise. Whole day the
କୋଉ
industry.
ଜାଗାରେ
That is at the Noya Bazar, my lord. At Noya Bazar, Kotak. Inside the Kotak
ଆପଣ
town,
ସେ ଘର ପାଖରେ ଲୋକ
my lord.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଘର କେତେ ଦୂର ସେଇ ଜାଗା
ମୋ ଘର ସେଠୁ 8 କିଲୋମିଟର ପାଖ।
ଆପଣ କଣ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ବିନ୍ଧିଲା
ନାଇଁ, my lord.
କାହାର ବିନ୍ଧିଲାନି ଆପଣ ବିନ୍ଧିଲା
No, my lord, I thought that you
no you thought right
petition, no, my lord.
no ମୋ କହିବା କଥା ହେଲା ସେଇ ଏରିଆରେ ଆପଣ
ନାଇଁ, ଆମ ଘର front means ଆମ ଘର means I thought that your lordship is asking to me.
8 କିଲୋମିଟର ବୋଲି କହିଲେ
ନାଇଁ, it is my personal house. But
ଆପଣ 8 କିଲୋମିଟର
ନାଇଁ, the petitioner's house.
ଆପଣ 8 କିଲୋମିଟର କଣ ପାଇଁ କହିଲେ
ମୁଁ କହିଦେଲି ମୋ ନିଜ ଘରଟା।
ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥା ଥୋଡ଼ି କହୁଛି
My lord.
ଏଠି you ମାନେ your
My
client
lord,
not you I know
In front of the house of the petitioner, only it is 10 feet distance. They are using high power electric machine, the cutter and etc., which is creating too much of noise, my lord.
okay ଦେଖ
The petitioner had given complaint to the opposite parties, to the State Pollution Control Board office at Kotak,
okay
and to
the land council the petitioner submit that the petitioner is affected by one Messrs. Ma Wooden Furniture, which is a carpentry unit manufacturing wood furniture
furniture manufacturing unit.
through mechanical process, which is located in front of the present petitioner's house at Sartul Tinigharia, Nua Sahi, Post Naya Bazar, PS Madhupatna, Town District Cuttack,
My lord.
on a residential plot number 1740 within the residential locality. The said furniture unit is using modern electronic machine like electric planer, swing machine, which is creating lot of deafening sound pollution. Deafening sound pollution of higher decibel, full stop, which is creating mental and physical, creating a lot of disturbance for the people of the area, including the aged population as well as the children also. The carpentry unit, the said carpentry unit, sorry, Lord Counsel, the petitioner also, submits that the petitioner had approached the appropriate authority for, with a complaint, and the said complaint is still pending before the said authority.
No,
without
my
any-
lord. In annexure 2, my
କାହିଁକି
lord,
ନା NSA ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ କଣ ହେଲା କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
they have given the direction to that carpentry industry
ହେଲା ହେଲା.
ଯେ ତମେ ଉଠେଇ ନିଅ residential locality ରେ ରଖ ନାହିଁ।
On the complaint of the present petitioner, the member state pollution control, to the member state pollution control board, the said authority has directed the polluting unit to relocate to a different location or stop functioning at this particular, at that particular location, full stop. Despite such order, the industry is functioning and creating noise unabatedly. In such view of the matter, let notice be issued to OP number 1. ତାକୁ ପାଟି ବନେଇ ନାହାନ୍ତି? ତାକୁ ପାଟି ବନେଇବେନି? ଯିଏ pollute କରୁଛି ତାକୁ ପାଟି ବନେଇବେନି?
No, my lord, in the last.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ଆଉ କିଛି explanation ନାହିଁ, ଯିଏ polluting unit ତାକୁ ପାଟି ବନେଇବେନି କେମିତି ଆପଣ? ଆଉ ତା ପାଇଁ explanation କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ? Polluting ପାଟି ବନେଇବେ ନା, ଆଉ ଯିଏ କରୁଛି ତାକୁ ପାଟି ନେବେ ବୋଲି ଖାଲି ଆମେ ପାସ୍ କରିଦେବି?
No, because the authorities
ନା
have.
ବିକାଶ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ, polluting unit କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ proper ପାର୍ଟି ଯିଏ ଅଛି ସମସ୍ତେ ବନେଇବେ ନା ଆଉ। ଆପଣ explain ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଲେ ୟାକୁ, ସେଥିରେ ତ ଆପଣ polluting unit against ଲେଖିଲେ, ଏଠି ପାଟି ବନେଇବେନି? ହେଲା, issue notice to the but ପାଟି ନହେଲେ କେମିତି notice issue କରିବେ?
I will make an amendment in the last, in the coming.
କେମିତି application file କରିବେ? ସେମିତି ବନେଇବାକୁ ହୁଏନି, ବିନା application କେମିତି ହେବ? ଆଜି କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ file and application।
ଶୁକ୍ରବାର ଦିନ କରିଦେବି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଜଲ୍ଦି କରିବେ, ଜଲ୍ଦି ହେବ ଆଉ ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ନହେଲେ କିଛି interim order pass କରିବିନି, unless he is made party, how can I pass interim order? ଆପଣ କାଲି କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
tomorrow, ଆଜି କରିଦେଲେ କାଲି ଲାଗିଯିବ, ହେଲା।
କାଲି ତୁମର ଆଇଲେ।
କରିଦେଲା ପରେ ଆସିକି କୋର୍ଟ ମାଷ୍ଟର କରିଦେବେ, ସେ ଲଗେଇଦେବେ, ହେଲା। ଦେଖ ଆଜି କରିଦେବେ, କାରଣ petitioner at this stage, petitions 6, the permission of the court to make the opposite party number, sorry, make the polluting unit as a party. Let's the matter tomorrow कर दिया, what कर दिया तो आज फाइल कर दूँ, काल लगे दूँगी। Next 4,
May I please, your lordship? The petitioner have 2 sets of grievances that are.
you are for the
I am for the petitioner.
petitioner. What happened?
Petitioner, no, only
Huh.
petitioner.
What happened?
She has 2 sets of grievances that her husband was dictated cancer, but the Acharya Harihar Cancer Center for
Sir,
Cancer.
please don't talk inside courtroom, please, for God's sake. I can't hear otherwise. Yes.
The petitioner's husband is dictated cancer, but Acharya Harihar Cancer Center is not treated him well, but not refused to treat him.
Why?
Rather, as per she has the history of TB, he referred him to ENT department, and though ENT department assured him as cancer patient of cancer, and referred back to Acharya Harihar Cancer Center. He has been rather refused and advised for treatment of TB. Even if the test reports confirm that.
Was the TB test report show me that?
Test reports are at Annex 9, page 31.
Annex 9.
Page 31, at page 31. TB negative at Annex 7. Next one, page 28, running page 28.
Page
28.
why does it say that it's cancer? What লেখা আছে cancer
TB
বলে
is not detected.
Hmm?
At page 29.
नहीं नहीं फास्ट आपण काहाକୁ ଦେଖିଲେ फास्ट आचार्य हरिहर नेले ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ टीबी नाही तापरे कोठी नेले
ENT department.
ईएनटी कोन कहला
ENT कहले से
ईएनटी रिपोर्ट काई
at page 9, page 31.
31
9 and 10, 31 and page 33.
ଏଇଥିରେ କଣ ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି ଯଦି କି ଜଣା
Annex 9 and 10 are continuous, and at page 33, advised excisional biopsy of left cervical lymph node. At page 33. At page 33,
ହୁଁ
side re advise excisional biopsy of left cervical lymph node.
ହୁଁ ତ ଆଡଭାଇସ୍ ଦିଆଗଲା ବାୟୋପ୍ସି କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବାୟୋପ୍ସି
Biopsy
କରାହେଲା ତାପରେ
No, biopsy ଯଦି ସେମାନେ refuse କଲେ କି ତାଙ୍କର ଯଦି ଥିଲା ସେମାନେ ପୁଣି ଆଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହରିହରକୁ କହିଲେ କରିବା ପାଇଁ। Annex
ଆଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହରିହର କିଛି ଟେଷ୍ଟ କରିନି ଖାଲି ଏମିତି
Yes,
କଣ କଣ ଟେଷ୍ଟ କଲେ
Annex 11 at page 35.
କଣ ଟେଷ୍ଟ କଲ
ସେ ବି refer to ଆଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହରିହର at କଟକ ସେମାନେ refer ନ କଲେ ସେମାନେ ନେବେନି। Page 35 refer to ଆଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହରିହର research for cancer image. The refer
ବାୟୋପ୍ସି ଅଫ
left cervical lymph node.
ବାୟୋପ୍ସି ହେଲା
Biopsy ସେମାନେ ମନା କଲେନି rather at annex 12 ଆଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହରିହର page 36 my lord. The direct
कोड कैंसर बोले कोड की डिसाइड कर ले कोड can't decide whether cancer or TB
confirmed
unless some document says that there is a cancer detected patient and Harihar Institute refused, then I can pass some order.
at page 9 page 31.
Negligence केमती हला से माने फेरे देले बोली माने कैंसर नथिबो कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट करबी सने ना को जदि जने टीबी पेशेंट को टीबी डिपार्टमेंट को पठेबा से कैंसर को गला कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट a court is not competent to find whether TB or cancer.
Annex 9 page 31 my lord.
आपण के पेज 31 32 रे कोर्स एंदी जणा पडुनी ये कैंसर थिला बोली
साइकोलॉजी रिपोर्ट
जदि आपण के टीबी थिला टीबी वाटर जिसना आपण ये एडमिशन ले
TB find negative my lord.
टीबी फाउंड नेगेटिव
Negative.
Whether refer to different department.
Different
for
departments
diagnosis.
for
At
diagnosis.
this juncture, he approached he admitted in a private hospital and where they found that he suffered.
My lord, Annex 12 at page
During treatment,
36
he
my lord.
retired. Now he's claiming medical conferences. On the ground.
रुवंतु सर आपण ये जो आपण फुटबॉलिंग पर्पस जण मरी हिबो ना आपण
Minor-
हॉस्पिटल गले एंदी फुटबॉलिंग करिवे गरीब लोक गले फुटबॉलिंग धनी लोक गले संगे संगे एडमिट कर देबे 2 मिनिट लागिबो
Finally, at page 36.
जदि से जदि ये करे तने टेस्ट काई कलिन ताले
My lord,
जदि भी डाउट कले टेस्ट करी सन वेरीफाई करिया कथा न बिना टेस्ट बिना बायोप्सी रिपोर्ट सन के जानि देले कैंसर न बोली एडे काढुआ डॉक्टर माने से डॉक्टर के कहले से डॉक्टर पर्सनल अटेंडेंस करी
finally,
No, I'm not going to spare this doctor.
my lord,
The doctor
finally,
चाकरी जीवा दरकार.
my lord,
This is not done.
finally,
हाँ.
at page 35, all departments report to for the biopsy.
Do one thing. Who is the doctor? The
My lord,
examining doctor
sir.
के?
My lord, patient is already died.
Dad हेले भी जाना जानिया दरकार ना. Who is the doctor? The head of the department of this Acharya Harihar की.
Notice here.
Notice जीवो तो और notice जीवो से personal president बा यदि negligence तो 70 चाकरी जीवो. I pass a long order against that doctor. This is not done. आपण हॉस्पिटल जण जीव बिना टेस्ट बिना ये आपण कहि देबे टीबी आपण कहि देबे अंक who gave you the authority to say all these things without testing? How can you ascertain that is a TB or cancer or something? गुड लोक एंदी एई चक्कर मरिया प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल से गला कोन पे प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल गला कैंसर आपण कैंसर दिसला अब बिना टेस्ट आपण कहि देले टीबी गला. This is not done. This is we are playing with the life of the people. And that is a golden moment. Say somewhere hospital pura that is a golden moment. Once you just waste a minute of that moment, the patient might die. And
Yes,
you have been
ma'am.
so casual, your hospital authority. called issue notice
ପାର୍ଟି
to.
କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଘରେ ପାର୍ଟି କରନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ଆମର।
Achaja Hajar party karibe se
notice
concerning doctor
notice.
tar head of the department ajadi paili I will pass a strongest order se kebe dekhi nathi in the order and dekhiya ku court ru jaigi seman ko bhal appeal court ko jibe dekhiya
My lord,
this is too much. Look, the petitioner filed by a poor and destitute old lady who has lost her life due to improper diagnosis and lack of treatment at Acharya Harihar Regional Cancer Center, Cuttack, and SCB Medical College Hospital, Cuttack. Full stop. The petitioner was found to be some symptoms of carcinogenic symptoms that are carcinogenic in nature. Has visited the hospital for treatment, and the hospital authority, without having proper investigation in detecting the cause of the disease, referred the petitioner back to the SCB Medical College, stating that the petitioner was suffering from TB. The TB department also examined the patient and found that there is no TB. During that period,
and advised for treatment in TB.
who?
No, Acharya Harihar.
That's right. And referred them refused to treat, considering the patient was suffering from TB without.
Without
The denial of treatment at the Acharya Harihar Hospital, Cancer Hospital, Cuttack, and trying to football the patient from one department to another department without proper examination led to the death of the present petition.
present petitioner's
Oh,
husband.
sorry, petitioner husband. I'm so sorry. Petitioner husband. The delay and negligence in causing in treating the patient caused the death, and this said death is stated to be due to the utter negligence and lackadaisical approach of the Acharya Harihar Hospital, Cuttack. Considering the facts narrated herein above, this court deem it appropriate to issue notice to the head of the department of Acharya Harihar Hospital, Cuttack, and the doctors. Who are the doctor treating the doctor? Dr. Nagon.
Doctor को ना नहीं.
କେମିତି ନା ନଥିବ ତଳେ ଯିଏ ଲେଖିଥିବ ତା ନା ନଥିବ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ତଳକୁ ନ ଦେଖିକି
Signature ଅଛି seal.
ସିଗ୍ନେଚର ନାଁ ବି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସିଲ୍ ମରା ହେଇଛି
ସେଟା ENT department.
ୟାଙ୍କର ନାହିଁ କି ଥିବେ ନା ସେମିତି କେମିତି ହବ ନାଁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିବ
ଖାଲି HOD.
and the treating doctor, the head of the department shall identify the treating doctor and also who shall be responsible for the negligence of duty. And the treating doctor. Issue notice to who are the other.
My lord.
Let her implead Acharya Hari party.
ପାର୍ଟି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି କି?
ନାଇଁ।
ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଆପଣ କରନ୍ତି ସବୁବେଳେ ପାର୍ଟି ଯାହାକୁ ମେନ୍ ଏକୁଜ କରିବେ ତାକୁ ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇବେନି ହ୍ୱାଟ କାଇଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ ଏବେ ଆଗରୁ ବି ସେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ହେଇଛି
No, sorry, my
I don't
lord.
understand you people making party ଯାହାକୁ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ତାକୁ ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇଦେବେ ଯୋଉ ଦରକାର ତାକୁ ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇବେନି this is not
In
done.
course of time. My lord, no,
What is this?
I'm sorry, my lord.
ସରି କହିଲେ କଣ ହବ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଏତେ ଟାଇମ ୱେଷ୍ଟ କଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ୱେଷ୍ଟ କଲେ ମୂଳରୁ ଫୋପାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି
Sorry, today,
What is this? जो रियली पार्टी जा दरकार ताको पार्टी बनेइबिनी आपण माने से बैंक पार्टी कले रिजर्व बैंक भी पार्टी बनेइबे भूलिबेनी किंतु जो रियल बैंक ता पार्टी बने नथि ए सेम कथा
my lord,
you make party to
my lord, another set of grievances.
immediately party बनेगा आज
Okay.
you should let this oh 1 2 3 4 5 plus 6 6 la the 6
I am suggesting one thing. That her implicit superintendent SC Medical College party and director Acharya Hari party.
हाँ कर दे दुईटा कर दे सुपरिटेंडेंट आचार्य हरि दुईटा पार्टी कर रखी दे काली लगा Let's the matter tomorrow. At this juncture, the petitioner wants to implicate Acharya Harihar, Director Acharya Harihar and Superintendent SC Medical College of the party. You're going to list the matter tomorrow. आज कर दे तो फर्क नहीं लगेगा. तब notices करिए. Next.
The five
Five.
that matter that non-deduction of PMI despite of submission of irrevocable letter of authority.
Sorry.
The non-deduction of monthly EMI against the loan sanctioned by the petitioner's bank. The DDO despite of submission of irrevocable letter of authority. The
So
lordship
your what is your grievance?
grievance that bank was released loan in favor of OP4 on the basis of undertaking given by the DDO to deduct the monthly from his salary. But he did not do so. That's why there was outstanding. Notice was issued. Thereafter, they did not respond. So,
Anybody is
state is all the OP4 is the private party, other are state.
private party asu not can dio.
Notice to private.
Notice ହେଇଛି.
Aji first time.
If you notice.
Similar order.
It is 1 2 3 you accept notice is waived off by Mr. Mond and 4 by registered post. Similar order. Next.
22 तारीख से other matter আছে
Other matter by 22
এইটা 15 ଥିଲା এটা 22 তারিখ
22
published.
Next.
My
6.
lord, the petitioner is the wife of the deceased, my lord. Deceased had the insurance policy, my lord. Since the application is made, my lord, that is not considered till date, my lord.
Why?
No,
What is the reason?
nothing has been, my lord.
When did he die?
Died, my lord, in the year 19, my lord. To 22, my lord. 25/8/2022.
22. अपन application के
2 मास कर देली 10 मास कर देली
issue notice to LIC council. LIC अपन अच्छा नहीं बोले. Net council for the
सर्विंग है कर
Please give a copy.
and go supplying.
Land council for the LIC is present in the court and land council petitioner is directed to hand over a copy of the writ petition to
May handed over.
for instruction. List the matter on 21st. Let him take instruction.
Supplied a copy.
Next.
May I
Seven.
please, your lordship? Your lordship, this is a matter regarding the EC case which has been pending before the OP number 2, your lordship, for more than 1 year. Your lordship,
What is EC case?
employees compensation case.
पूरा
Your
कोई
lordship.
भी मोको.
Your lordship, and
I'm not aware of all this such form. Okay, you have to tell fully. Okay, next.
and your lordship, this matter has been pending for more than a year, your lordship.
The employee compensation, it should go to the DB now.
Your lordship, similar order, your lordship, has been
हाँ, इधर
to dispose it within 3 months, your lordship. A time period has been fixed by your lordship.
ये similar कर दे कहीं मुझे रहा है ना.
Oh, please, your lordship.
नाले DB को जीवा ना.
Oh, please, your lordship.
बढ़ दे. 8.
May I please? Here, my lord, petitioner succeed in both forum, that is district consumer forum and
First
State
of all, succeeding 2 forum I have come here. Tell me first.
yes, my lord. Therefore,
एक कोटर की काम.
एक quarter काम sir revision.
तीटा forum गला पर 3टा forum दिल्ली
नहीं,
रहती.
नहीं, sir, आमे जाइनु. They have filed, the bank has filed a revision petition before the state commission.
ठीक अच्छी.
And revision not maintainable. As the statute, it has not provided. My lord, kindly see.
सर आपण एठी केंती मेंटेन मते कोंदु सेठी मेंटेन छाडंतु से कथा
My lord,
एठी कोन पय मेंटेनेबल हबो
when there is no remedy is available,
को रेमेडी नाही
the, revision petition is not maintainable.
देन
Then they have said, Lord, without giving me opportunity, behind my back, order has been passed. Therefore, I come from the writs. କାଇଁ ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ
नेशनल कमिशन को जाय पर
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ଯାଇପାରିବେ।
ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ କମିଶନ ଯିବେ ସେମାନେ ଅପିଲ ରେ or review file କରିବେ within 30 days. They have not done it. They have filed after 3 years.
आपण जाय परछंती
सर
आपण जाय परछंती
ନା ଆମେ କାଇଁ ଯିବୁ ଆମେ ଜିତିଛୁ ନା
तो एति कय आले देन
ଯେହେତु ସେମାନେ ଇଲିଗାଲ ଅର୍ଡର has been passed.
इलीगल ऑर्डर पय हायर फॉर्म अछि परा इलीगल ऑर्डर पास हाई कोर्ट अछि की
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ସାର୍
ନା।
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଇଜ
High
ମେଣ୍ଟେନ
Court
ସାର୍
not
ସାର୍
possible.
ଆନେକ୍ସ 3 ଟା ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ଖାଲି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ଯା ଅର୍ଡର କରିବେ ଆନେକ୍ସ 3
यस
ସେଠି ଲେଖିଲା ସାର୍ Learned counsel for the revision petition is present. Mr. B.N. Panda advocate appeared for the OP and submitted that his name has been reflected in the cause list. And next, sir, and put up this matter on 20/11/2023 awaiting DFR and further orders. And thereafter, my lord, I myself B.N. Panda and appear and argue this. Thereafter, behind my back, a memo has been filed, Annex 4. And that memo I have not signed and not copies of me. Then, my lord,
Sir, all these things can be also there is a appellate forum, sir. All these things can be raised there. Why are you approaching this High Court? for all these things?
because my lord, High Court is the Read Court is the competent when the
No,
revision is not maintainable. Can
And Read Court is competent.
sir ଟିକେ ଖାଲି sir Annex 4 ଟା ଟିକେ sir ଫାଇଦା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ sir ଏଠି ଲେଖିଲେ sir notice issued to the opposite party on 4/8 till that OP has not appeared. Sir ମୁଁ appear କରି ସାରିଛି.
That all these things you go and approach there, not here.
My lord, revision not
This is
maintainable.
not a ଆପଣଙ୍କର consumer forum act ଯଦି ପଢିଛନ୍ତି properly କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି district high court maintainable ଲେଖିଲେ ବୋଧେ
Sir 47 ଟା ନାହିଁ.
ପଢନ୍ତୁ
Sir I will read 47. Jurisdiction of the State Commission
ପଢନ୍ତୁ
to call for the records and pass
Judge state commission something passed without jurisdiction.
Huh.
Where do you go? Where will you have to you have to appeal. There's no state commission has done this is passed without jurisdiction. You go and appeal.
revision against appeal sir କୋଉଠି ଆସିବ?
କେମିତି appeal କାଇଁ ଆସିବନି କି କଥା appeal କାଇଁ ଆସିବନି
କୋଉଟା ନୂଆ order ରେ?
ନାଇଁ କାହାର appeal କୁ ଯୋଉ ଆସିବନି appeal provision ପଢିଲେ appeal କେମିତି ଆସିବନି ଦେଖିବେ
No sir, appeal ନାହିଁ sir.
ଆପଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ନା
ଆମେ
ପଢନ୍ତୁ
I am not affected party.
ସାର୍ ପଢନ୍ତୁ
appeal
affecting
to
party ହଉ କି ନ ପାଠୁ
Appeal to National Commission.
परमिशन टू फाइल अपील करी फाइल करा जाय पारे सुप्रीम कोर्ट रे लोक पार्टी हाई कोर्ट रे केंदी एसएलपी फाइल करछंती परमिशन मागिरी फाइल करा जाय पारे आपण पार्टी नथली भी पारे आपण धरंतु फॉर एग्जांपल सुप्रीम कोर्ट को हम बहुत लोग फाइल करंती आपण सपोज धरंतु अफेक्टेड पार्टी
Sir, I
you are not a party here at all still you can file by way of filing an application so these are the things I am affected by the order of this court therefore I may be heard then this court they pass appropriate order save so many cases I have filed so many cases how do you say is not a party ki कहला आपण
because revision
sir say national commission में 100 फाइल करछि sir what are you saying
sir गरीब लोक
point को आइए ना हां गरीब लोक कथा
Read is maintainable sir.
sir
Revision against there is no alternative remedy.
not maintainable
Yes.
जो the appeal provision is maintainable no है
It is not appeal, it is against revision. I will come from the against revision.
कोड मते गुटे कॉलटे देखले
Section 47, section 3 days.
पढंतु
Yes.
read code read जिबे बोली कोड लिखा
Yes.
है
To call for the record and pass appropriate order in any consumer dispute which is pending before or has been decided by the state commission within the state where it appeared the state commission that such district commission has exercised jurisdiction not vested him. ताको बारे एटा vested नाही बोली सेटा नाही सेटा चालू
हाई कोर्ट जिबे बोली कोड लिखा है
or failed to exercise a jurisdiction so vested or has acted in exercise of jurisdiction illegally or with material irregularity. Say against an
कोड लिखला हाई कोर्ट जिबे बोली नी एंटायर थ्रे कोड हाई कोर्ट ना नहीं जोटी 226 रे जिबे बोली कोड लिखा है
alternative remedy sir.
हां एबे आइले पॉइंट को आते आगु तो एते आर्ग्यू करथले अननेसेसरी पॉइंट रे एबे पॉइंट को आइले अल्टरनेटिव रेमेडी कोड लगा हाई कोर्ट जिबे बोली
Sir, it is vested nahi power se has pass order.
But
And
that-
I have not, I have
that
already
can-
appeared.
that
Sir, I
can
have already appeared. My name has been reflected in the order.
Sir, why are you arguing on
Behind
not
my
necessary?
back order has been passed, sir.
Maybe for that appellate provision there you can raise this issue also. What can stop you? to raise this issue before the appellate authority? You can't say they just on your own, whatever.
No, sir,
This is right jurisdiction. No, no.
There is no remedy. Therefore,
Show
I'll
me
come
a judgment that said in this kind of cases, High Court can entertain. Show me one judgment. ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
ହଁ, sir,
ଆପଣ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ତାପରେ କହିବେ
yes, yes, sir.
ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ଖାଲି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ବଦଳ ହେଇଯିବ ୟା
ହଁ,
ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉଟା
sir.
ଫୋରମ ବନିଛି ସେ ଆକ୍ଟ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ଆକ୍ଟ କଞ୍ଜୁମର ଆକ୍ଟ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ଆକ୍ଟ ସେଇ ଆକ୍ଟ ସାର୍ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ସେଇ ସାର୍ ଯିବେ ନା ଆଉ ଯାହା ହେଲା ପ୍ରସିଦ୍ଧ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବେ
Sir, ଏଠି ଯୋଉ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ଲିଷ୍ଟିଂ ରେ ଅଛି ଲେଖା
ଆପଣ
ହଉଛି
listing ରେ ଥାଉ।
କଞ୍ଜୁମର ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ସାର ଆସିଛି
List
sir,
ଥାଉ।
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ
ଆରେ,
ସାର ଆସିଛି କୋଉ କେସରେ ଆସିଛି
ହଁ
sir? କୋଉ କେସରେ
ମୁଁ
ସାର ଆସିଛି?
ବହୁତ ରେୟାର କେସରେ ମୁଁ
It
ଇଣ୍ଟରଫିୟର
is a
କରୁଛି
rarest rare case,
ନା
sir.
नो ଆପଣ କହିଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ
Sir,
You
order
will certify, I will certify, not you.
sir, that is true.
Rarest
That
of
is
the
true,
rare
sir.
case ଆପଣ କହିଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ ନା
No, no, sir, it is a rarest rare case
बिल्कुल
in my knowledge after 30 years servicing as an advocate.
case not rarest. That is rarest of the rare case ନୁହେଁ
Sir,
ଆପଣ
sir,
ଯୋଉଟା ଫୋରମ ଅଛି ସେ ଫୋରମ ନ ୟୁଜ କରିକି ଆପଣ ଅଲଗା ମୁଁ କେତେ କେସ୍ ସେ ଫୋରମକୁ ବଟେଇଲେଣି ଏଠୁ ସିଧା ବିଦା କରିଦିଏ ସେଠି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଠି ଯିବା
ନାଇଁ,
କଥା
sir,
ନା
minor-
ଜଷ୍ଟ ବିକଜ ନାଇଁ ଆଉ ମଝିରେ କିଛି ଲୋକ କଣ କରନ୍ତି ହାୟର ଫୋରମରେ ପଇସା ଡିପୋଜିଟ କରିବା କିଛି ଆଉ କିଛି ଇଏରେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଆଭଏଡ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବ କହିଲେ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଠି ବହୁତ ପଇସା ଜମା କରିବେ ତ ତାହେଲେ ପଇସା ସେ ଆକ୍ଟ ବନିଛି କଣ ପାଇଁ ପଇସା ଜମା କରିକି ସେଠି ଯିବେ ନା ଆଉ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଆସିବ ସେଟାକୁ ତାହେଲେ ସେ ଆକ୍ଟର ପର୍ପସ କଣ ଲଷ୍ଟ ହେଲାନି
sir, fact
ତାହେଲେ
is-
କଞ୍ଜୁମର ଫୋରମ ଆକ୍ଟ କାହିଁ ବନିଲା
fact is,
ଏଇ
sir,
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ
I am-
କରିବାର ଥିଲା
I am-
ତ ସେ ଆକ୍ଟ କୁ ଜଳେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
fact remains that I am a poor complainant. I
ସେଇ
deposit my
ପୁଅର-
money
ସେ ପୁଅର
in the
ପାଇଁ
bank
poor
not
ପାଇଁ ତ
release my
ବନିଛି।
amount.
ତାର ପୁଅର ପାଇଁ ତ ବନିଛି ସେ ଫୋରମ ତ ପୁଅର ପାଇଁ ବନିଛି
Delhi, sir.
ଆଉ ସେଠି ନ ଯାଇକିରି ଆପଣ ଏଠି କେମିତି କଲେ
Sir, similar decision ବହୁତ ଅଛି sir.
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ହଁ, sir, ଦେବି ଆଉ।
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଉ ରଖନ୍ତୁ।
ମଣ୍ଡେ ରଖିଲେ
ନା ମଣ୍ଡେ sir କାଳି ପୂଜା ଟିକେ sir.
କେବେ
ନାଇଁ 1 week after.
1 week after ଠିକ ହେଲା 21 ଆପଣ ନେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ
Yes, sir.
ଏମିତିଆ କେସରେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଏଣ୍ଟରଟେନ କରିବ ସେଇ ଲାଇନରେ
Yes, sir, yes.
ନେକ୍ସଟ
1 week after.
Next, please, always. What's the kind of call to page 9?
page 9
Page 9,
କଣଟା ଅଛି?
Annexure 1.
What is the issue?
He was nominated to the pursuant to decision of the so and so, he was
କେତେ number?
nominated to the body managing governing body, but that has been,
The Cuttack diocese is we call is school
my lord, that has been stayed by the authority, their authority. That was challenged before your lordship, page 65, my kindly be seen. Page 65. Your lordship directed that you move the civil suit, in the civil suit. Earlier they had approved entire writ petition they have submitted.
What is the problem? Tell me first, I don't remember.
Problem is that he was nominated to the governing body. An authority has said that it is kept in abeyance. He was duly nominated to the governing body. For personal purpose, they have passed this order and preventing me from joining the governing body. That is the problem.
Why they have done that? Who is appearing for that?
No, no notice has gone. It is.
Glad
It has
you should
come.
notice.
But I remember last time I was there.
I have.
This case.
Yes.
What happened?
My suit was first he filed a suit.
There is.
You have filed a suit. I have given that. They have rejected
Yes,
it.
that's when suit. What happened?
That have
What
rejected.
is the subject matter of the suit? Rejected.
Reject.
That's why against PGBC.
The suit rejected. तार appellate forum कोड़ा.
Yes, first copy they give it.
तार first appeal जीवे ना. Suit रो.
No, suit. No, suit. II has been rejected.
During pendency of the suit, he approved this honorable report. So you
I know that.
yes, directed him to approve the
Same case.
Yes.
Same case.
If suit is disposed of, then they have to prefer appeal.
ତମର କିଛି ନାହିଁ
it is
ଏଥିରେ
not. It's still pending.
ତମେ ଅଛ କିଛି ଡାୟସିସ୍ ତରଫରୁ
Still pending. He is saying suit is still pending. Suit is still pending.
my lord, suit is pending.
Then when the suit is pending as a same dispute, how can I interfere?
Yes.
If suit is pending, you pursue the suit. After that, you have if you have suppose you lost, then you can approach the next appellate. Actually, you should notice that.
Yeah.
Let No.
Issue notice. Oh.
No. Suit is pending, why should I? Because since the suit is pending concerning the same dispute, the petitioner is directed to pursue his remedy in the civil court. Accordingly, this writ petition cannot be entertained at this stage. We approach there. So once that is pending there, sir. Let it be over then. Because on the same dispute, the suit is pending. Had it been a different dispute, I would have done.
I don't disagree, my lord.
Last time also, another boy was appearing.
Yes.
He came. So you have the same thing. Yes.
In 39 rule, order 39 rule 1-2, they express his opinion. I have annexed also.
What do the opinion, sir? Matter is pending. My opinion, I don't know bother about the opinion. It is a propriety of procedure. Procedural propriety is to maintain. When the matter is pending there, how can I, how the read, suit at the time, same time, everything, there will be confusion. The suit, the court will be getting confused because of this order. Any order passed by me, that will have a negative impact there also.
They have set expiry. They did not appear in
Nothing doing, we go there. Next. 10.
And madam, I received instruction, we find a counter affidavit.
On a matter relating to selection of
Yes.
Sikha sir.
Yes, sir.
And
You have filed the reply.
Yes, sir.
started because selection has already started, Lord Chief.
That is separate.
And we are claiming benefit under the 2016 advertisement. And out of overage candidate, in pursuant to your lordship's
You
judgment,
are overaged.
my lord,
You are overaged.
pursuant to lordship's judgment, they have implemented and 35 numbers of candidates have been given.
All those who are in the court.
Your lordship.
You are not in the court.
But we are parties in before the Honorable Apex Court.
Your party.
My lord.
Then they should consider.
Here, what?
On the last occasion,
If they are the party, then they should consider, sir. You have already lost there in the FF court.
No. Here, this is something different. We file counter affidavit as because my lord, then what happened? These persons were applied for contract.
No.
Yes.
No.
No, sir. See, whatever contract teacher,
Perhaps
that
Mr. Munda-
teacher, para teacher, mara teacher, whatever teacher,
Yes.
forget it. My question is, when they have approached the Supreme, your government has approached the Supreme Court, they were the party and Supreme Court has, I mean, you have lost there, then
And the last occasion, lordship found that because what my learned senior is stating that is relating to Vidyadhar Naik's case, one of the applicants.
he may not be knowing, sir. He's in every Vidyadhar Naik, Gadadhar Naik. How do you know? How do you know? Sir? Let him file the reply. Let the Council of the State to file the reply within 1 week. List the matter on 23rd. Next.
And the last occasion, lordship found that two of the applicants
I don't remember last order.
were parties in the
I don't
SL.
remember even yesterday what happened. Forget about last occasion.
because
Which
selection is process is going on, and out of the and they have given appointment to 35% last month.
Let him get instruction. Have some patience. Have some patience. Let him examine it. If he finds that okay, you are also eligible, you will consider. Simple. Then let him examine. Okay, next.
Item 11.
11.
My lord, 1 week time may be granted for filing the counter affidavit.
You are for the bank.
Yes.
Not because of the bank, 1 week time to file the counter affidavit. This is the matter on 28th November. Next.
Item 12.
12.
May I please?
Next. आसु डिसेंबर 5th रे केबे पंचायत राज डे केबे मार्च 5 ना बजी दूर होइजो नले से दिन लगे थांती ओके डिसेंबर 5 रस हला नेक्स्ट हां ऑर्डर कॉपी दे अपलोड कर काली दे आबो मैं आर्टिकल लिखी इधर सम मोर मसाला नेक्स्ट
Item 14.
14
3 weeks time about.
Hmm?
3 weeks time member of
For? You are for
petition.
3 weeks time कौन ପାଇଁ ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି?
Guideline ଟା ଯୋଉ ଖୋଜିକି ବାହାର କରିବାକୁ
ତାର କି ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ କଣ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ମେଥଡ କଣ କିଛି କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ପ୍ରକ୍ସି ସରପଞ୍ଚ ଭଳିଆ ହଉଛନ୍ତି
ନା ପ୍ରଫେସର ସରପଞ୍ଚ
ଆଉ କହିବେ ନା ପୁରା
ମିସିଂ ପିଲାଟାର ତାକୁ କମ୍ପାନସେସନ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କୋଉ guideline
ମିସିଂ ପିଲାର କୋଉଠି ମିସିଂ
କରାଯାଇଛି
you want to file the guideline okay list the matter on 12th December plan consider the precinct 65 guideline for the compensation of the missing child okay according to this the matter 6 for 3 weeks time next 15
Item 15, your lordship may kindly see the last order. Your Lordship.
yes
Collector cum CEO Zilla Parishad was directed to file the show cause in this matter. And 2 weeks was granted to file the reply. And 2 weeks was granted to file the reply.
The officer was very much available and yesterday, my lord. I have not satisfied with the reply they have submitted, my lord. So I pay 2 weeks, 2 more weeks time.
which one
The item 15 time.
कौन एड्रेस है
एड्रेस जो 2013 रे ताकू डिसएंगेज करा हबा
15 रे
2013 रो अपॉइंटमेंट 14 रो
हां
ताकू डिसएंगेज करछन 2021 रे सेटा आपण कहले जे एते दिन से एक्चुअली लॉन्ग एब्सेंस थिला आपण खाली पचारथिले जे एते दिन से एब्सेंस थिला पुनी ताकू एते दिन पर काहे डिसएंगेज करले तो this is the appointment of 2014
correct
mo si jo reply dithla I have not satisfied with that reply so
you want to file it
better
okay land
2 weeks
consider the state 2 weeks time to file a better reply as he wants to improvise the reply file
na file
file hai nahi oh so we want to file something okay to file a reply khali the reply this the matter on 30th next 16
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, the last order, your lordship has directed to delete the OP number 1, the Union of India. Your lordship, I have filed an IA in this regard. Your lordship, that IA may be allowed and the
what is the
consulate
issue
matter regarding to grant of marriage assistance under Nirman Shramik Kalyan Yojana, your lordship, and kindly have a glance to the page 10, annexure 2, your lordship. Sorry, annexure 3.
page 10
Page 10, annexure 3.
so that is marriage
Marriage
for up to
assistance.
2 daughters 25,000
Yes, your lordship.
That
25,000 has been enhanced to 50,000, your lordship.
above 50,000
Yes, your lordship.
you have applied when did you apply?
Yes, your lordship.
when did you apply
Your lordship.
এটা কোড়ে গলা
Your lordship, I have.
এটা রাখুন কি রাখুন
Yes, your lordship.
কাই দেখেন তো পকেট
No, it.
পকেটରେ ଥିବା କଥା ଆମେ ପକେଟ ଧରିକି ବୁଲୁଥିଲୁ ତମ ପକେଟରେ ନାହିଁ ସେଟା ଏଟା କିଏ ୟୁଜ କରିବ ଏଟା କମ୍ପାନୀ ମାନେ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ବାହାର କରିଛନ୍ତି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଜଜ୍ ମାନେ ୟୁଜ କରିବେନି ବୋଲି ସେନା ଖାଲି ଆସିକି ଘୁରଉଛି ମାର୍କ କରିଥିଲା ଫଟଫଟ ବାହାର
Your lordship, annexure 4, my representation.
ପକେଟ ଟା ଦିଶିବା ଦରକାର ମୁଁ ପଚାରିବି ପକେଟ ବାହାରିକି ମତେ ଦେଖିବ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଓକେ
Your lordship,
କର ନକର ପକେଟ ରହିବ
annexure 4 is pending, your lordship. Before
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଓକିଲ ମାନଙ୍କ ପକେଟରେ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ନିହାତି ରହିବା ଦରକାର ଏଟା ନହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଓକିଲ ନୁହେଁ ଫର୍ଜି ଓକିଲ
locker.
ହଁ ବାସ୍ yes
Your lordship, annexure 4 in that regard has been pending before. Your lordship, the secretary.
so you file before the district authority
Your lordship,
who is the authority
before the secretary, your lordship.
secretary labor
Odisha Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board, your lordship.
board
Yes, your
so
lordship.
you have filed before the board
Yes, your lordship.
when did you file
Your lordship, 15/3/2023, my
Right.
representation is pending, your lordship.
କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ଏଇଟା
Annexure 4, your lordship.
ଏଇଟା କି ପଢିକି ବୁଝିପାରିବ ଏଇ ଯେ ଲେଖିଛ annexure 4 ଟା ତମେ ନିଜେ ପଢିଲ ଟିକେ ଦେଖି ପଢ ଆଗ ପଢି ସାର ଦେଖି ପଢ
ମହାଶୟ ଆମେ ହାଡିବନ୍ଧୁ ସାହୁ ବୟସ 45 ବର୍ଷ ପିତା ବଛଇ ସାହୁ ସାହି ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଶ୍ରୀରାମପୁର ଥାନା ଦଶପଲ୍ଲା ଜିଲ୍ଲା ନୟାଗଡ଼ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଜଣାଏ କି ଜଣେ ନିର୍ମାଣ ଶ୍ରମିକ ଝିଅ ବାହାଘର କଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ 50,000 ଟଙ୍କା ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବା ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା ଅଛି ମୋର ଝିଅ ବାହାଘର ହୋଇଥିଲା ଏବଂ ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତ କାଗଜପତ୍ର DLO ନୟାଗଡ଼ଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଦାଖଲ କରିଥିଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ଇତିମଧ୍ୟରେ 2 ବର୍ଷ ବିତି ଯାଇଛି ମଧ୍ୟ ବିତି ଯାଇଥିଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ମୁଁ ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇ ପାରୁ ନାହିଁ ଏପରିକି ସମସ୍ତ କାଗଜପତ୍ର 28/9/2021 ରୁ
ତ ଆପଣ
ଦାଖଲ
15/3/2023 ରେ ଦେଲେ
yes lordship
15/3/2023 ରେ ଦେଲେ
representation ଟା ଦେ
ତାପରେ ସେମାନେ କିଛି action
କିଛି action ନାହିଁ
so who are the parties here opposite party
your lordship after the deletion of Union of India that is OP number 2 secretary Odisha building construction workers your lordship consolidated cost
give them जो जगह सुनो जो जगह कंस्ट्रक्टिव लगी सही जगह लगा इसमें पत्थर लगा दो कि नहीं जाना पड़े सही जगह हाँ सेटा काढ़ी की लगे पेज नंबर टा सेटी ए देखो the petitioner seeks the indulgence of this court against the inaction of the opposite party number 2 regarding his application for his daughter's marriage under the Nirman Shramik Kalyan Yojana. Full stop. The petitioner is a registered Nirman worker
yes lordship
under Odisha Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board. In this regard, Odisha Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board has issued an identity card in favor of the present petitioner since 2013. Since a scheme has been floated by the Nirman Shramik Yojana under the Nirman Shramik Kalyan Yojana for assistance of marriage of the daughters of Nirman Shramik to the tune of ₹50,000. The petitioner has approached the board with an application for seeking such marriage assistance. Full stop. Though the petitioner has approached that authority since March 2023, the said application is still pending before the board.
secretary before the
Secretary of the board, huh?
yes lordship
Secretary of the Nirman, what is that? Shramik board. Issue notice to the secretary. OP number 3.
OP2 your lordship
OP number 2.
after the deletion
OP
of
2, 3, 4. Huh? OP number 2, 3, 4.
yes your lordship
5, 2, 3, 4, 5. By registered post to that. It's a very state.
2 3 4 your lordship
2, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Hello? Issue notice. Copy of the writ petition be served on council for the state. तीनटा कॉपी दिया हेलो कॉपी
yes your lordship
हाँ कॉपी देबे ना कॉपी धरिके आसुनांती कोन पई आपण जानछथि नोटिस वाले कॉपी आनिबिनी कंजूसी कोन पई
I have already filed and copy to the state
अरे भाई जानिछ सरकार से माने जहा कहले सेटा तांको कथा सत ना तमे हातरे दुईटा कॉपी धरिके आइथांत देई दिथांत जानिछ सरकार कॉपी देले भी सन they are so gluttoned by the copies. So you can give another copy, still they can digest it. Okay. So give it. Okay. So list the matter on. I am giving you short date. Bahe galan na bahe ni. Na habo.
भाई ही सरलाणी
Assistant दरकार आपन लोन सुजिबा पई.
आगे
Oh good. ठीक अछि. List the matter on 22nd. हला.
oblige
स्कीम टा भीतर को फायदा न देबे नी. स्कीम टा अछि बागर पे देबा पे आ देबे नी कि नहीं. कपटे दियन.
in course of the
आपन ऑफिसर कम पे बसी छी से डिसीजन ना नेगिरी. Verify the officer नल कोर्ट को डाकी ऑफिसर को. हां. तार स्कीम रे पैसा अछि ताको देबो मास मास धरि के बसछ कम पे. मार्च मार्च एप्रिल मई जून जुलाई अगस्त सेप्टेम्बर अक्टोबर नवंबर 8 मास से ऑफिसर चेता पसिनी ना ऑफिसर को डाको आगो ऑफिसर को डाक अच्छा let the officer come. This is not done. कोन तो आपण एक्ट अछि बरा. It is mandatory. Act provision answer এটা ଅଛି ଆପଣ how can the officer will sit for 8 months together ଜଣେ ବାହାଘର କରିଦେବ ତାকে ପଇସା ଦେବ ବୋଲି ସେ ୱେଟ୍ କରିଥିବ 8 ମାସ ଯାକ poor people they will get some assistance from this benefit ଗୋଟେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଅଛି ତାର ବେନିଫିଟ ତ ନେବେ ସେମାନେ ଆରେ ସାର୍ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଭାଡ ଯାଏ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ସେମାନେ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ କଲା ବେଳେ କାହିଁକି ସେମାନେ କରିବେନି କାହିଁକି ସେମାନେ କଣ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଓର ସବୁବେଳେ ସେ ହଉଛି ଏମାନେ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ସେମାନେ ପତା ନାହିଁ why do they keep pending on this ଅଫିସର ଗୁଡା କାମ ଖେଳି ଇଏ ନୁହେଁ ସାର୍ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ସେ ହଁ ନାଇଁ ଦେବ ନ ଦେବ କିଛି ତ କରିବେ ଡିସାଇଡ ତ କରିବେ 8 ମାସ ଆପଣ ସତରେ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତ
Yes, your lordship.
ପକ୍କା
Yes, your lordship.
ନହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଧରିବି
Lordship, the representation has already been
ଆପଣଙ୍କ
filed. Your
ଅଫିସର
lordship.
ଟେବୁଲ ବନିନି ତ
I have appropriate instruction, your lordship, regarding the giving of the representation before
ନାଇଁ
the
ନାଇଁ ବହୁତ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅଫିସରେ ଦିଆଯାଏ ଆପଣ ପଠେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାର ଇଏ
ନାଇଁ, ତାର-
ପୋଷ୍ଟାଲ ପ୍ରୁଫ କାହିଁ
ତାର ରିସିପ୍ଟ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ପୋଷ୍ଟାଲ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଯାଇକି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ
ସେ ଘର ଲୋକ ସେ ଗୋଟେ କୋଉଠି ସେ ରିସିପ୍ଟ
ଏ ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ କଥା ଆମେ ଭିତରକୁ ଯିବାର ନାହିଁ ସେ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଦେଇଛି ବୋଲି ମୁଁ ପ୍ରିଜ୍ୟୁମ କରୁଛି ବାସ୍ କଥା I presume that application is given and you have not acted ବାସ୍ ସେ କହିବ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଦେଇଥିଲି ମୋର କାହିଁ ସିଲ୍ ପଡ଼ିନି ତ କହିବ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ମାନେ ବଢିଆ ତ ଶିକ୍ଷିତ ଲୋକ ସବୁ ଚାଲାକ ନା ଗରିବ ଲୋକ ବିଚାରେ ଯାହା କଲେ ସେମାନେ ରଙ୍ଗ ତମେ ହିଁ ରାଇଟ୍ ପୁଅର ପିପୁଲ ଫ୍ରମ ଦ ଭିଲେଜ they are wrong always they are always made wrong also ରାଇଟ୍ ଥିଲେ ବି ତାଙ୍କୁ ରଙ୍ଗ କରି ଦିଆଯାଏ ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଶିକ୍ଷିତ ଲୋକ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଉଲ୍ଟି ପଲ୍ଟି ସବୁ ପ୍ରକାର ବ୍ୟବହାର ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି anyway you take instruction ତାର short date ଦେବି ନାଇଁ ବେଶୀ ଦେବିନି ଲମ୍ବା 22nd ରେ ଆସୁ 22nd ରେ ଆସୁ ଆଉ ଯଦି 22nd ରେ ସେ କହିବ କପି ମିଳିନି ଇଏ ସିଏ ତାକୁ ଡାକିବି ଏମିତିଆ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏମାନେ ଜାଣିକି ଦେବେନି ସେ ବିଚାରା ପୁଅର ପର୍ସନ will approach the office ଦେବ ସିଲ୍ ଦେଲା ନଦେଲା ସେ ଏତେ କଥା କୋଉଠି ଜାଣିଥିବ ସେ ନେଲା ତ ଅଫିସର ଦେବ ବୋଲି ଭାବିକି ପଳେଇଥିବ ନିର୍ମାଣ ଶ୍ରମିକ ସେ କେତେ ଏଜୁକେଟେଡ ଲୋକ ତ ନୁହେଁ ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ମୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଦେମ୍ ଆର୍ ନଟ୍ ଏଜୁକେଟେଡ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ଟ୍ରେଡ୍ ୟୁନିୟନ ଏଟା ଟ୍ରେଡ୍ ୟୁନିୟନ ସେ ଟାଉଟର ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଭଲ ଟ୍ରେଡ୍ ୟୁନିୟନରେ କିଏ ଥାଏ ଟାଉଟର ମାନେ ବିଚାରା ଯିଏ ନିଡି ସେ ନଥାଏ ସେ ଜାଣିବି ନଥିବ ଟ୍ରେଡ୍ ୟୁନିୟନ ସେ ମେମ୍ବର ବୋଲିକି ତା ରାଇଟ୍ସ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବିଲିଟି ତାକୁ ଜଣା ହିଁ ନଥିବ ନେକ୍ସଟ ନେକ୍ସଟ
I'm on VC, my lord.
yes
My lord, in this case, your lordship has already granted bail to the co-accused in BLAPL number 11,690 by 23 on 4/7/23.
yes
I have filed that copy of the order at running page 119, madam.
so you are on the similarly placed
Only 2 persons were sitting in the vehicle. One
Okay.
is already
Last
on
time,
bail.
okay
last time I see, let me verify.
And he is in
You have-
custody 2,000, my lord.
you have filed that order
Yes, my lord. That is at running page 119.
119
Yes, my lord.
ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କପି
ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଆସିଛି ମୁଁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେଇ ଆସିଛି ରିଗାର୍ଡିଂ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆକ୍ସନ
Sir, that order is already there. I have filed it, my lord.
311 kg man of Madhya Pradesh.
Both are for the same.
he is also from Madhya
Yes,
Pradesh.
yes.
He is in custody since 2000, my lord.
2000
2000.
2000
Yes, my lord.
that is saying sir 2020 ହେଇଥିବ
2020.
କେସ୍
2000
ରହିଲା 2020 ରେ 2000 ରୁ କେମିତି ରହିଲା ସେ
Excuse me. I mean,
କେସ୍ 2020 ରେ ବନିଛି
2020, my lord.
okay so do one thing take instruction Lord ask the state to verify whether the present petition is similarly placed or not list the matter Monday ଲଗେଇ ଦେ Monday
अब ଟିକେ ମୁଁ CDC ଏଟା ମଗା ଦଉଛି ଗୋଟେ
okay
Age,
ତାହେଲେ
CD.
Monday 17
ଆଜ୍ଞା
17 କରିଦଉଛି okay 17 ଆସ
Supplies, my lord.
18
May I please, Lord? Lord, since last 4 occasions, my lord, they have taken time to ascertain the genuineness of the address of this petitioner.
that Gaya
Yes.
yes.
ah
In this case today I talked with additional SP and also sent to SP there some more time.
They are not
They have already-
responding, my lords.
They are not responding. Even if our police, they are calling the SP officer, they are not picking our phone also.
ତମ ଡିଜି କୁ କହିଲେ ଡିଜି ଟିକେ ତାଙ୍କ ଡିଜି କୁ ଫୋନ କରିଦେଲେ ହିଁ ହୁଅନ୍ତାନି?
ନା ସେ SP ମୋତେ କହିଛି ଆଉ
ତ ଫିର ଏସପି କେମିତି ରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡ କରିବନି? ଏସପି କାହିଁକି ରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡ କରିବନି?
ସେ କଥା କହିଲେ ମୁଁ
They
phone
do
ଯାଇ-
the rest. କହିବା କଥା ତମ ଏସପି କରୁନଥିବ କିଛି।
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଏଜ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଚାନ୍ସ
Last chance ଦିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା।
ଆଉ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଅଲଗା ଷ୍ଟେଟ ରେ କଣ କରିବା କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
ମାନେ near about 3 years, my lord.
4 ବର୍ଷ ରହିବେ, 5 ବର୍ଷ ବି ରହିବେ। Don't say all these things. କାହିଁ ତାହେଲେ କାହିଁ କରୁଥିଲୁ ତାହେଲେ ଏତେ ଚିନ୍ତାର
the petitioner has filed the application giving his wrong address.
No,
Now
no,
he is saying that
no,
you-
no, not like that. I was staying in Ahmedabad or that place, my lord. I was working there. For that, my lord, at the time of arrest, my lord, the police has registered my name on that address. Subsequently, during charge sheet, it came to notice that I was
your address was not found, they will take time, then you can't say that.
both the addresses
December
correct.
ମାସରେ ଆସୁ ଆରାମ ସେ 5 December
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଆଗରୁ
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଆକୁ ଦେବି।
ନାଇଁ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ହେଲେ ସିଏ ନେବେ, ନହେଲେ ଭୁଲି
ଟାଇମ
ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି,
ଲାଗୁଛି ନା ଫେର ଆଉ ଥରେ ଟାଇମ
ଭୁଲି ଯିବେ ଆଉ ଥରେ।
ନା ନା ଭୁଲିବେନି।
ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ହେଲେ ସିଏ
Mr. Moon, his brain is like
ନେକ୍ସଟ ଟାଇମ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯାଇଥିବେ।
so it will be done, don't worry.
ମୁନ୍ ବାବୁ ଅଗଷ୍ଟ ମାସରେ ଥିଲେ,
ଆପଣ ମନେ ପକେଇବେ ମଝିରେ ଭୁଲି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଆଉ।
ଫାଇଲ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ନଥିବ ଆଉ କବୁ ପଳେଇଥିବ।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ତା ହିଁ ହଉଛି ଲାଷ୍ଟ 4 days।
କାଇଁ ସିଏ ଛାଡିବେନି ଏବେ।
ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ହେଲେ ସିଏ ରହିବେ, ସିଏ ଅସୁବିଧା ହବ।
ଆମ କୋର୍ଟରେ ସେ ଅଛନ୍ତି, don't worry. Question is this side.
ଆଜି 8 ହେଲା, ନେକ୍ସଟ ତା ଗୋଟେ ୱିକ୍ ଛାଡିକି 22 କି 23 ଆଡେ।
ହଉ 28 ଦେଇଦେ ହେଲା 28
ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡସ୍
28 next
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଚାନ୍ସ ୟୁ ଲର୍ଡସିପ ନେକ୍ସଟ।
ठीक है कही हेबनी लास्ट चांस बोली କାହିଁକିନା ଷ୍ଟେଟ ର ଅଲଗା ଷ୍ଟେଟ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କୋଅର୍ଡିନେଟ କରୁଛି, ସେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ କେତେ କୋଅପରେଟ
5ଟା ନା 6ଟା ଡେଟ୍ ନେଲେଣି।
30 ଟା ବି ହବ ଆକାଂଶ।
ପୋଲିସ ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ଟର ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହିଲା ଏଇ ବିହାର କଥାରେ କହି ହଉନି କୋର୍ଟରେ, ସେ ଫୋନ କଲାରେ ସେ କଣ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଦେଲେ ସେମାନେ ମୁଁ କହିବିନି କୋର୍ଟରେ।
I can guess that. I have dealt with so many Bihari clients, so I know that.
Yes.
How they behave and how they behave. Next.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, petitioner initiated custody, my lord, 3/11/2020, my lord.
2020.
20.
What happened?
My lord, offense, my lord, 302 IPC. 302, my lord.
What is your rule?
Role, my lord, on the basis of the co-accused statement, petitioner has been implicated, and on my lord, Neha Kumar Paswan, her statement stated, my lord, like this, my lord. In the meantime, she has been examined by the trial court, and the
What is your role, sir?
role nothing has been
Nothing will have
on the statement.
Let CD come. That comes the state to obtain the CD within 1 week from today. List the matter on 6th December. 1 week, 2 weeks time there. Court district.
Kotak.
Kotak. Nalo 1 week. ठीक है ताले pass short date. 23.
Okay.
Next date. Next. 20.
May I please, your lords? I seek one adjournment to rectify the defects because SR not made in this case. That's why.
Sorry.
SR not made in this case. That's why.
SR.
Another date may fix so that I will rectify if any defect is there.
Not consider the petitioner to remove the defects within a week. List the matter. 28 November. 28.
Yes. Publish.
Next.
Madam, I remove the defect, madam.
You want to remove the defects? 21 day.
Yes, sir.
Well, and consider the petitioner seeks to remove the defects within 1 week. List the matter. 29th.
I remove, madam. I paid.
You have removed.
You paid, madam.
You have removed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. List the matter. Then next week log 22nd log 22nd. Next.
May please, your lordship. On the last occasion, your lordship has passed an order, but the order sheet does not reflect so. Your lordship has directed me to deposit 10,000 rupees. This is a DV matter. While issuing notice to the opposite party, your lordship has directed me to.
What is the last date order? केबे थिला last order? 10/10. 10th October. Lordship तो हमर इधर के 10,000
मते 10,000 रुपीस दवा को कहला एवं मंथली दे चले को कहला Into order sheet does not show.
10th order na. Again 6,000 order को maintenance month pay interim maintenance 6,000 को आयला.
हाँ.
तो 6,000 लिखाई दी.
Order sheet.
आपण ଅଧିକା ଦବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି?
Certified copy ନେଲି certified copy ରେ issue notice ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି.
କେମିତି କେମିତି ହବ? This matter is taken up through hybrid management. This petitioner has challenged this so issue hard, issue notice to the opposite party through registered post, release the matter on 8th November. कौन बोलेला? ठीक तो अछि. आपण ऑर्डर के
मोटे डायरेक्शन इतला 10,000 टंका डिपॉजिट करी.
सर 6,000 लिखाई जी. ए ऑर्डर तक देखि दियंतु ऑर्डर देखि.
मु तो सर्टिफाइड कॉपी नेली सर्टिफाइड तो नाही.
सर्टिफाइड कॉपी किन देले? गंजे पुंजे पी दिसला किसी लोग. गंजे पी दिथिबो. के मार.
This is not the order. This is not my case.
Huh?
22 item.
अरे यहाँ
No, this is not my case. Sorry.
केते नंबर आपण केस
22 my friend said 22.
भगवान कोआडे को आइटम रे पसी आछन आपण मु भी कंफ्यूज करछन बस.
My case is criminal division 221.
सर आपण नो आइटम केते?
Item 22 my friend said but
22 दिलीप कुमार बळ आपण कर फिर
no
ई कथा मु विषय की एंती ऑर्डर किन आइला को मु ना देखुनी अब 22 ठीक आपण कॉज लिस्ट नाही बोले दियंतु गुटे कॉज लिस्ट इनेंतु दे दे कॉज लिस्ट दे दे कॉज लिस्ट देखि देखि आसी एडी गुटे कॉज लिस्ट रखियो
दिलीप कुमार बळोत my name is
आपण कहा पय अपीयर करछथि
दिलीप कुमार बळोत
आपण कहा पय अपीयर करछथि सर आपण फाइल रे का ना रखाई जी.
Let it taken up some other date. I have brought.
आपण कहा पय
I am for the petitioner. I have brought a wrong file.
दिलीप कुमार बळ
Yes, yes.
एटा आपण केस ता
Our name has been there, but I have
आपण
brought a
ना
wrong
कोन आपण ना कोन
My name is S. Chakraborty.
चक्रवर्ती नेम इदे
Our name is there.
ये
I
सुना
have brought a wrong file. Sorry. I
एठी
have brought a wrong file.
एठी एटा रखिया दरकार नहीं सेठी गुटे बाहर कंटाटे बाडीग्री नोटिस सब एंटर फाइल रहउची ना ना मुसवा बोल एटा को हमें भी रॉन्ग जगह रे रॉन्ग थ्रू ओके फिर बहुत थ्रू करछु
काली करो काली.
हैं
काली आसो काली.
ठीक है नेक्स्ट 23
1 week after along with 211 of 23 also criminal division arising out of same case 211 of 23
211 of 2023 आगे पूरा कहबे 211 of 2023 एने कहबे ना 211 23 ए कोन
both the matter arising of same case
काली केबे आसो
my lord 1 week after
हां
I will not be there in
केबे
next week the day or 1 week after any day 1 week after your lordship
23rd लगे along with 211
of
2023
23
ठीक है.
In this case, I am appealing for the petitioner. Pursuant to
24.
24. Pursuant to the direction of this on code 12 July 2000.
You are appearing for whom, Mister?
Appearing for on behalf of Mr. Ajay Naik, sir, praying for short adjournment.
You are for the opposite party.
Yes, my lord.
Why do you want short adjournment unnecessarily?
It may be listed for final disposal. Already notice has been issued. She has appeared. We have complied the order. In each month, we are paying the dues. The directed amount 5,000.
He is asking, is a junior counsel asking
Again,
for
again.
final. Just wait. Let's list the matter on. You are paying regular.
We are paying, complying the direction.
ठीक. List the matter on 29.
Okay.
Ensure that his senior will be present here. Mr. What is your name? Tapas.
Yes, ma'am.
Chayat. Tell your
Yes,
senior that on next day he should not miss the bus. If he will miss the bus, he'll miss the bus forever. He'll be out of the court. Okay.
Intimate or maybe estimate.
Means your matter will be finally decided without you also.
Intimate may extend.
To continue. Next. 25.
Maybe. There is the only defect, the authenticity fee of ₹3.85. Just now I filed the criminal defect.
Sorry?
Authenticity fee is 3.50 daily defect achi.
3.45
Only they do 5 times this.
ବେଶୀ ଦେଇଦେଲି
3 ଟଙ୍କା ମିଳୁନି
କୋର୍ଟର ଭୋଜି ହେବ ହଉ So defects are removed. Land Council petition submitted that all the defects have been removed. This is the matter on 5th December. Any urgency? Kona, kebe?
Next week.
Okay, next week. 5th, 16.
15
15. Okay, ठीक है. Oh, vote ହେଇଗଲାଣି 15, 16 ରେ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡା ହେଇଗଲାଣି. Next week. ତାପରେ ସବୁ push to next week. Okay. କହିଦବା ନା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବି.
Both the 25 and 26, 15 ରେ ଅଛି.
Okay. 15 next week ଯିବ. ତା ପର week. 22nd ହବ. ସେଇ week ରେ ବହୁତ ଭରି ହେଇଗଲାଣି. ମ୍ୟାଟର ନ ଲାଗିଲେ ତାର କହିବନି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୋର ମ୍ୟାଟର ଲାଗିଲା ପୁsh ହେଇଯାଇଥିବ ସେପଟେ.
ସେମିତି କହିବି.
ହଁ ସେମିତି ହଉଛି. ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ରେ ଆମେ ଡେଟ୍ ଦେଇ ଯାଉଛୁ ତାପରେ ସପୋଜ 60ଟା ମ୍ୟାଟର ନେବା.
ମୋର ସେବା ରହିଯାଇଛି ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ମୁଁ ବି ମେନସନ କରିପାରୁନି ଆଉ ଆପଣ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ମୁଁ
ମେନସନ କରିଦେଲୁ ଆମେ ଏମିତି ବନ୍ଦ ଚାଲିଥାଏ ବନ୍ଦ ହଉଥାଏ ଚାଲିଥାଏ depending upon your behavior. If you behave well it will continue. If you don't behave well it will stop. Next 27.
27, my lord, it is for final disposal. I have already submitted a note of submission. PLA case. You lordship may remember last occasion I had argued.
What is that?
PLA case.
PLA
case where there is no element of settlement. The first requirement of law is, my lord, as per the Legal Service Authorities Act, that there should be an element of settlement. Then only the PL will negotiate and thereafter go for.
Most of the PLA nowadays they are behaving like a regular court.
And like a suit, my lord, the contractual obligation has been interfered with and money decree has been passed. This is a clear case of money decree. And there are so many disputed questions of fact, my lord.
What is the issue?
Issue is, my lord, regarding charging of electricity line to the PLI point. PLI point is to be constructed. PLI is a subsidized program. They deposited the money with the district agricultural officer. They are part of the constitution. They are part of the contribution. And thereafter, on the recommendation of the director of planning, work order is to be issued to a particular contractor, that is opposite party number 4. It was issued. He deposited his contribution. You lordship, I have also already given a date chart also. He deposited his contribution, final contribution on 12/5/2010. And thereafter,
so how much delay occurred?
There is, in fact, after deposit of the construction, in fact, the requirement is unless the PLI point is fit for charging by way of proper clearance from the competent authority.
So
I cannot.
If I PLA point, I suppose I set up a PLA point.
Yes.
Then electricity, the poles are to be laid. Then wiring will be done. Then you will charge.
It will be fit for charging. Then only.
But,
yes.
Then everything is done. Then at the last point you charge it.
The contract.
Now the question is from the application date to the charging point. What is the time lag?
Timeline, my lord, after deposit of contribution, there will be a, in fact,
এই কেসরে কেতে দিন লাগিছে?
এই কেসরে আজ্ঞা 2010 ରୁ 2013 ଅଛି, but we have charged the electricity.
ପୁରା ଆପଣ ସେଠି କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କରି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଲି 2000 ରେ ମୁଁ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କଲି ସପୋଜ।
2009 ଆଜ୍ଞା।
2000 ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କଲି, ସେ 2000 ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କଲା ପରେ ସେଟା କୋଉ ଦିନ ଚାଲିଲା? ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରା ଦିନଠୁ ଚାଲିବା ଦିନଟା କେତେ ଗ୍ୟାପ?
ଚାଲିବା ଦିନଟା my lord, apply କରିବା ଦିନଠୁ ଯଦି ଦେଖିବେ then 2009 to 2013.
ଏତେ ଏଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କର।
PLI point
PLI point is not the question.
ଆଜ୍ଞା construction ନ ହେଇକି ଯଦି if it is not fit for charging we cannot charge. The opposite party number 5 or 4 submitted test report
ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହନ୍ତୁ।
on this very same day.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆସିଛି ମୁଁ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ଆସିଛି। ଏଇ ଖମ୍ବଟା କିଏ ପୋତେ? ଖମ୍ବ କିଏ ପୋତେ?
ଖମ୍ବ ପୋତିବାର ଏଥିରେ ନାହିଁ, ଏଥିରେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି PLI ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଟା ତିଆରି
ଆରେ
କରାହବ।
ସେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ତ ଗୋଟେ ଖମ୍ବଟେ ଦରକାର ପଡୁଛି। ଯଦି ପାଖରେ ଯାଇଛି ତ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ।
work order is to work order is to be issued.
ଆପଣ କ୍ଲିୟର କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସେଇ ମେନ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ରୁ ଯୋଉ ଫିଲ୍ଡ କୁ ଯିବ ତା ମଝିରେ କିଛି ଖମ୍ବ ପୋତା ହଉଥିବ, ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ କିଛି ଇଏ ଥିବ ନା, ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ ପୋଲ ପୋତା ହଉଥିବ, ତାପରେ ତାର ଲାଗିବ, ତାପରେ ସେଠିକି ଯିବ ଆଉ ଯଦି ସେ ପାଖରେ କିଛି ଯାଇଥିବ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଆସିପାରୁଛି ତାହେଲେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ କଥା
Direct ଆସିବ, but direct
ନାଇଁ ନା ଆପଣ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ଯୋଉ appliance ଟା ବସିବ ସେଟା ଯଦି charge
ହଁ ସେ
appliance ଟା ବସିବ
କାମ କାହାର
opposite party number 4 who is the contractor?
ସେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର କାହାର ଅଛି?
Contractor,
ଆପଣଙ୍କର
the contractor,
କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର କାହାର
they has yes,
କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର କାହାର କୁହନ୍ତୁ
contractor
ଆପଣଙ୍କର
work order has been issued by me. Issued by me. Yes.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ତାହେଲେ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବିଲିଟି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର ଯଦି ଫେଲିୟର କଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କାମ ତାକୁ ତାହେଲେ ସେ ଦୋଷ କାହାର ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆପଣ ନା ସେ ମାଗିଛି ତାର ଆପଣ ମାନେ ନିଜେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର କଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର ଉପରେ ଆପଣ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ନାହିଁ ସେ ଲଗେଇଲା ଟାଇମ ସେଥିରେ ଟାଇମ ଡିଲେ ହେଲା ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବିଲିଟି କାହାର ହେବ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ହେବ ନା ସେ ମାଗିଛି ତାର ସବୁ ଚାଷୀ ଉପରେ ଆପଣ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଯାହା ବି ସବସିଡାଇଜଡ ହେଇଛି ଯାହା ବି ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି ସେଟା ମତେ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇନି
କଥା ସେଠି ନୁହେଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ 4 ବର୍ଷ ହାଉ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ୟୁ ଟେକ୍ 4 years to just get electricity charge this is something very unusual
ଯୋଉଦିନ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା ଫିଟ୍ ଫର ହବ ନା
କିଏ କରିବ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ କରିବେ why who will fit ଚାଷୀ ଫିଟ୍ କରିବ
ଟେଷ୍ଟ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆଜ୍ଞା କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର
ଟେଷ୍ଟ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କିଏ କରିବ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର ଆପଣଙ୍କର then why are you blaming the farmer
then that is where you
sorry no interference ଏମିତି ହବନି ଆପଣ ନିଜର କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର ନିଜେ ସବୁ ଆପଣ ଦୋଷ ଦେବେ ଚାଷୀକୁ ଚାଷୀକୁ କୋଉଠି ଯାଇକି
କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଦୋଷ ଦଉନି ଏଠି ମୁଁ କହିବା କଥା ଯେ whether the subject matter whether the subject matter is a fit case where there is an element of settlement for warranting interference. That is the only point.
That you can raise the issue. But on the subject matter, on the merit of the case, you are at fault.
So that
you are at fault.
That is why
It's a settled position.
There is no there is no ambiguity on the fact that the Legal Service Authorities Act provides that ultimate adjudication by the authority. But at the same time, whether there being no element of settlement, it can go in. I am also relying upon one decision, my lord.
Give me that.
This is the last stage.
Para 7, lord.
And whether the brief of my page 51. Everything has been
last occasion lordship
Supreme Court single bench High Court
नहीं ମୁଁ ସେ କଥା କହୁନି ଆଜ୍ଞା Supreme Court କହିଛନ୍ତି Supreme Court କଣ କହିଛନ୍ତି Supreme Court କହିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ତ dispute କରୁନି ଆଜ୍ଞା I am not disputing that NSA has no power to adjudicate but this is not a subject matter fitting adjudication by ether kintu more personal satisfaction I have gone through this I never support the unjust cause but I have my satisfaction I have given the written note you lordship may kindly see mu dei paribi nahi other with the risk of accident the day it has been test certificate has been given on that very day I have charged you lordship will also fine yes obliged.
In paragraph 21, my lord, it is
last occasion lordship pointed lordship has already Panchanabur dekhichon ମୁଁ କନସିଲେସନ ପାର୍ଟରେ ବି ନାହିଁ
ଆପଣ ଏବେ ଥିଲେ ସେଠି ଏବେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କନସିଲେସନ ପାର୍ଟ ବାହାରି ଆଇଲେ
ନାଇଁ ବାହାରିନି ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା କନସିଲେସନ ଆସିବ provided there is an element of settlement I am going to the root unless there is a root my lord there cannot be no
going to the root
ମୁଁ root ରେ ଅଛି ଯଦି element of settlement ନାହିଁ କନସିଲେସନ ଆସିବ କୋଉଠୁ
ମୁଁ root ର ତଳକୁ ଯାଉଛି
ଆପଣ ତ ସେଟା in fact your lordship pointed out that is why they were asked to produce the your lordship may remember
yes
the twice
ultimately people should get justice ये electricity company ମାନେ ଆସିକି ଲୋକ ସେ ଏତେ ଲୁଟୁଛନ୍ତି ଦେଇଦେଲେ 5 ଲକ୍ଷ 10 ଲକ୍ଷ କଣଟା ହେଇଗଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଖାଲିଟା ସେ ଟଙ୍କାଟି ମତେ ଡିପୋଜିଟ ହେଇନି ସେ ଡିପୋଜିଟ ହେଇଛି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ why should I pay there is contributory if at all there is a contributory negligence
you should feel happy if that some poor person is getting benefit don't worry next
item 29
Limited question, my lord. The petitioner had availed a loan from Rashtriya Mahila Kosh, and now I want to repay the amount, and your lordship directed the government to take instruction whether they are willing to that proposal or not, my lord.
We have received the instruction, and as per instruction, I have sent the draft affidavit for vetting. I'm waiting for that. may some time.
What instruction then you have received?
They have
You have not
agreed,
received
they
any-
have agreed with the proposal
Hmm.
that initially they will pay 30% of the outstanding dues and rest in 6 installments.
Hmm.
And as per that,
Six installment within how much time?
that is depending upon them, and within that period, they will have to pay the interest also.
Six installment, they will suppose six installment in 6 years then. Will that-
Seটা
will
se
that be-
interest debe seটা.
So,
Interest pay
Well, I was
I'll
proposing
dispose
to
it up
repay.
within that observation.
I have sent the affidavit. Only 2 weeks time may be allowed.
For a small
Yeah,
thing,
you-
instruction
as-
is
as a-
sufficient. Why affidavit?
As a lordship wishes.
Since you are ready and they are willing to
Yes.
pay, then let the matter be solved.
I was
received the
proposing to
instruction via
repay
mail.
within 1 year,
So
madam.
you are saying 30%, 20%,
30%.
30%
Initially.
at the, okay, upfront 30%
Yes, your lordship.
within.
6 months.
No, not within 6 months.
It's too much here.
I'm placing that in the lordship.
ଆପଣ ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ବେନିଫିଟ ଦେଲେ ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ଏତେ ଆଗକୁ ପଳେଇବେ
No, not that. My lord proposed.
So I would say 30% within 3 months. 30% within 3 months.
My lord.
Rest of the amount within 1 year.
Within 1 year, but
Yes.
the interest will accrue.
Obviously.
Yes, that
is
too,
what
interest will accrue.
Yes, sir.
Including the interest, of course.
My lord, one thing, problem is that what is the real amount they are not disclosing, my lord.
Oh,
My lord.
then you file a reply.
Yes, yes.
Madam, you file a reply.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
And also, please ensure that what is the outstanding amount.
Outstanding
Yes.
amount, that
Unless
also,
they know the amount, they can't.
yes.
and that also they have given the instruction that we have prepared an affidavit and that.
Okay, let
Bye.
us find that. Run consider the Union of India. 6, how many days you want? 1 week time?
No, your lordship, it will more.
କେତେ ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଫ ଟାଇମ ଏତେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କଣ ଆଜି ତ ଆଜିକାଲି ସବୁ
Ministry ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି, we are ready, I have
କିଏ
prepared their
ଅଫିସର
dates.
ତାଙ୍କୁ ଶୋଧନ ଧରିକିରି ଆଉ ୟୁନିୟନ ବୋର୍ଡ ଡରୁଛୁ ନା କଣ
ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ଉପରକୁ ପଠେଇଛୁ, ସେ
ଉପରକୁ
କହୁଛନ୍ତି
କୋଉଠୁ
ଆମେ
ଉପରକୁ
ଉପରକୁ
ଉଠେଇଛୁ?
ପଠେଇଛୁ।
ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରମାକୁ ଏଇ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରୁ ତ ଆସିବ ଏତେ ନଟଙ୍ଗୀ କରନ୍ତୁ 1 week କରନ୍ତୁ 1 week ଟାଇମ ମେଲ କରିଦେବେ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରୁ କୁରିୟର କଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଆଜିକାଲି 2 ଦିନରେ ପହଞ୍ଚୁଛି
2 weeks time. fine.
ନିଅନ୍ତୁ 2 weeks time ନିଅନ୍ତୁ କାହିଁକି ପୁଣି unnecessary time ନେବେ
30th November.
Lordship.
Union of India in that way very slow. I
We are
mean, Union of India ଏତେ Union of India ସବୁ IT digitization କଥା କହୁଛି ଆଉ
The
ଏତେ
day they provided the instruction, I have prepared the affidavit, the day, same day itself. But
Union of
it's
India is
still-
really slow. They're only
If I may please your lordship. Lordship, this writ petition challenges the rejection of drug license. In this writ petitioner, the petitioner
rejection of
rejection of drug license, your lordship. Rejection of drug license, which is violative of Article 14, your lordship.
Name may be recorded, name is not being recorded.
name.
Jay Sahu. And other also, I'll give the slip, other councils
Give a
are there.
sleep now, madam. Always give a sleep. Otherwise, you'll lose your fee. So, एक sleep the sleep your money. Give the sleep. Otherwise, you'll lose your fee unnecessarily. So, he argued with me. So, I really come halal to the Vijay na. Next.
Item 30.
Yes, what license you are saying?
Drug license, your lordship.
Drug license.
Yes, which and the same has been done violative of Article 14, your lordship.
अरे भाई आर्टिकल 14 ପରେ ଆସିବ କେମିତି ହେଲା କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଇଛି କହ ପଛେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ 14 କୁ ପଳେଇ ଆଉଛୁ ସିଧା
your lordship
ନିଜର ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟସ ଟା କୁହ ତାପରେ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ 14 ହବ କି ନାହିଁ ଆମେ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବୁ yes tell me
lordship, the rejection order is in annexure 6.
What is the ground for rejection, sir?
Ground for rejection is due to encroachment of land.
Encroachment by you?
Yes, your lordship. But your lordship, the land was not encroached. The land was under possession of the grandfather of the petitioner. The same has been protected by
grandfather
this.
of petitioner encroachment free ଲୋକ ଥିଲେ କି ସେ କରି ପାରିବେନି ସେ encroach
the possession
ଯଦି
has been,
grandfather କଲା ତା ପୁଅ ଗଲା ଚାଲିଲା encroachment procedure continue କଲା
but the same
ତାହେଲେ
has been,
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ କଣ registration ହେଇଗଲା
the same has been protected by this court as well as
this
the
court protection ଛାଡ ମ
order ଅଛି your lordship.
କୋର୍ଟ କିଏ protection ଦେବ ତମକୁ
Your lordship,
କିଛି ସମୟ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦୋକାନରୁ ବାହାରେ ନବା ପାଇଁ କହିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କ encroachment କୁ protection ଦେଇଦବ
ତାପରେ your lordship, the civil court has also protected the possession
protected
of the.
na not declare that you are the owner.
Yes, your lordship.
Then
but your lordship, on this said piece of land, 2 other shops has been provided drug license, And in the
That could
holding
be a ground. that
yes,
could be
your
a ground.
lordship, holding that view, your lordship was pleased to pass the order dated 5/7/2023, wherein the state was directed to submit an inquiry report with regards to the licenses that I have provided in Annexure 7, 2 shops, your lordship. Holding that it is violative of Article 14. The state was directed to submit the report. The said report has not been submitted, even after 4 months.
So क्या है भाई?
I have received instruction from the department manager, the controller of drugs madam. In this, though I have not prepared the affidavit, if your lordship will permit me, I will prepare it. We have received the instruction from the Tahsildar madam. The Tahsildar had reported that, with reference to the letter subject cited above, I am to submit you with the status report of plot number 125 of Khata number 135 under Kotak Sadar Unit 20 Mangalabad, which is received from R.I. Jobra by letter number so and so. The copy of the letter is attached here with for your kind reference.
Okay.
This is the report of the R.I. man. उपरोक्त विषय द्रष्टव्य मते रेकर्ड देखि जना जाय देखिबार जना जाय जे मौजा कटक सदर प्लॉट नंबर 20 मंगलाबा खाता नंबर 135 प्लॉट नंबर 125 इसम घरबारी 1 थाई पौर संस्था नाम रे इज द लैंड ऑफ द म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन मैटर पौर संस्था नाम रे नामित होई अछि स्थानीय तदंतरु जना जाय जे उक्त प्लॉट रे परिमल साहा पिता सुदर्शन साहा बेआईन भाबे दुकान घर करी दखलकारी अछंती प्रकाश थाउ की माने इलीगल एनक्रोचमेंट प्रकाश थाउ की खाता नंबर 100
that he is admitting that his grandfather has been.
So far, he is claiming that 2 other persons were also encroaching the same land, and they have granted the license.
ସେ ଦେଇଥିବେ ସେ ଦେଇଥିବେ ତାଙ୍କୁ
ये कहउछन जे जो ଦି जण को दिया ହେଇଛି
ଯଦି ଦି ଜଣ ତାଙ୍କ ସେ ଭଡା ଦେଇଥିବେ ସେ ନିଜେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲୋକ ହେଇଥିବେ ସେ नहीं.
But your lordship, the license was granted by the state only.
सेटा के
They have a no.
सेटा के मना कर
हमको दिया ही नहीं. हमें first time apply करचो. Please, my learned senior will not twist the fact like this. This is the first time the drug license has been.
Sir, he's asking one question. You are saying the 2 person who has been already been granted. Who are they? Those 2 persons?
It is in Annexure 7, your lordship.
They are in the same plot.
Yes, your lordship.
Then
same
whose plot is
side by side.
That is your plot. That means.
No, your lordship.
That is so-called encroacher's plot.
Yes, your lordship. Same.
अरे नहीं थोड़े हाँ कौन और माइन ठीक नहीं तोरो
No, lordship, plot is encroacher.
प्लॉट जो तमे एनक्रोचर ना तमे एनक्रोचर प्लॉट रे से दुईटा दुकान अछि
आज्ञा
देन फिर नहीं हाँ कौन कौन कहउछ और तमे दैट मींस दैट इज योर क्रिएशन से आ गुडे दुईटा दुकान भी आपन करो का
नहीं दो दुकान रे प्रोप्राइटर अलग your lordship.
Yes.
Annexure 7.
Thoroughly confused.
No, your lordship. Annexure 7 may be.
I am asking if that particular plot is illegally encroached by your great grandfather, whoever may be. So now, suppose there are 3 shops there in that particular plot. Yours is one of them. As you are saying, 2 plots have already been granted a license, and other 2 are also maybe rented out by you.
Yes.
Then why are you saying? हाँ नहीं क्या कुछ?
The only difference is, your lordship, not rented out by the petitioner, but the father of the petitioner. That is why.
भाई हला तम घर लोक ता को father of the petitioner सत्य से आउट को बाहर ऐसे
I have also
इति हम बुझी पर नहीं कौन बाबू बुझा पड़े नहीं father
but entity wise, your lordship.
What entity wise?
Lordship, kindly have a glance to page 7 of
Do one thing, file your reply.
Counter
The whatever is saying that the 2 persons have also been granted license. Is it true?
ମୁଁ ସେଟା ନେଇ ଆସିଛି ସर
ଯଦି ଆरो ଦୁଇଟା କୁ ଦେଇଛ ୟାକୁ କେନ୍ ଦେବନି
ନାଇଁ ଏଥର ମୁଁ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ରେ ଦେଇଛି ଗୋଟେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଏନକ୍ଲୋଜ କରିଛି ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ରିଡିଂ ଇଟ୍ ମାଇ This is the letter issued by the
No, I am asking a simple question. The 2 whether the 2 are granted or not. Let's check it.
ସେଟା ମୁଁ ନେଇ ସେ ଦେଖା ଥିବେ ସେ ବି ଏଇଥିରେ ଯିବା କଥା
ଯଦି ଦୁଇଟା କୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଦେବେ ନହେଲେ ନାହିଁ
ନାଇଁ ସେ ବି ପାଇବେନି ଏଇଥିରେ ବି ପାଇବେନି ଏଇ ଲେଟର ଅନୁସାରେ
ତାହେଲେ ଯଦି ରଙ୍ଗଲି ଦେଇଛ ସେ ଦୁଇଟା କୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସଲ କରିବେ
ହଁ ସବୁ କଥା
सबको कैंसिल कर दबो तो गला ଆଉ
lordship, Annexure 7 re license अच्छे
let him take instruction whether the other 2 plots have your other 2 shops have been granted license or not. If they have given
that was the instruction, your lordship, by
your instruction रहने दो भाई पहले उनको तो चेक करने दो
उससे सेटा ही ऑर्डर हितला 5/7/2023
चेक करके आसंतु हला let it come 21st Let him check that. Next.
31.
31.
On the last occasion, your lordship had directed OP number 3, that is State Bank of India, to furnish the details of any of the directors' account, the builder company or the director's account, if they have an account with State Bank of India. I obtained instructions from Lord, I'm hiding those two statements by the memo.
They have their account.
Their account was inoperative account, zero balance. There is no
So
balance.
just it is because of the fact that you will get the whereabouts the person, because they might be withdrawing money from some ATM, so that you can catch them. That's the purpose.
Sir, inoperative account, sir, your statement would have been ଦେଇଛି
ସେ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ଆଉ account ନାହିଁ, ବିନା account ରେ ଚାଲିଛି ସଂସାର ତାଙ୍କ କେମିତି ଥିବ, କୋଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ କୋଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ଥିବ.
May I suggest, my lord, I am for OP number 1. Since the details of the other directors are available on record now, let the petitioner add them as a party. Let them be noticed.
Yes. Not cause the petitioner to include the directors as party, other directors as party. Okay. File କରନ୍ତୁ.
My lord, I have supplied one thing, my lord. ଆପଣ order କଲା ପରେ ବି ପୁଣି ଆରଥର personal appearance ଥିଲା, ପୁଣି କାଟିଛନ୍ତି 3% add କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି.
May I confirm, my lord, yesterday instruction.
Interest ଥିଲା 0.3 13,000 add କରିକି ପୁଣି.
My lord, my instruction is
sir ଏତେ ପଇସା free ରେ ଗଲା ହବନି.
no, my instruction is that clear instruction over mail.
Nah, he is enjoying anything, he is just simply giving
We have reversed whatever amount we have collected after September 12, that we have reversed.
The message, my lord.
That is my instruction. I can file it on affidavit. Let him file an affidavit.
ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି reverse କରିଦେଲେ.
I have reversed and further EMI deduction has been stopped. Let him file an affidavit. I am also filing an affidavit.
I have given the details.
Last affidavit. You file an
Last
affidavit.
message. I have given the last message. How to
message କରିଛି ସେଟା.
ICICI Bank.
Axis Bank କଣ message କରିଛି?
Message, my lord, kindly even 0.3% ପୁଣି interest ବଢେଇଛନ୍ତି, 13,000 add କରିଛନ୍ତି ମୋ account ରେ.
This is the outstanding, is the information regarding outstanding.
ଏଇଟା ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
Deduction କାଇଁ?
ଆପଣ ଏଇଥିରେ ଜଣା ପଡେନି.
My last second page ଦେଇଛି, my lord.
They are saying they are reversing. Let you file the.
I am filing, my lord.
Axis Bank.
And
Axis Bank ପାଇଁ.
I am for ICICI Bank.
ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank. File and affidavit before this. Regarding the reversal of the reversal amount which has already been debited from the petitioner's account as in my. Let him file that.
Also,
and also you implemented them party.
Yes, my lord.
If you implement them party, I can direct the DCP to find out.
Yes.
Also, he file his savings bank account from where the amount is deducted, because he is alleging that we are deducting despite.
Sir, ଆପଣ file କରନ୍ତୁ ନା, ଦେଖିବା. He may not be knowing that. You tell your client clearly. So bank statement देखा एंटी देखला होनी, message रे किसी में.
Yes, my lord. No,
bank statement.
Yes, my lord. I have given the bank statement.
I repeat, this is not bank statement. This is
the last 2 page, my lord.
केबेकर bank statement.
मतलब recently, April 2023 to March 2024 financial year.
March, sir, ये एबेकर कथा के कहउछन.
Sir,
he is saying the recent केते मास.
Yes, October 23-24 मतलब serial number 5-4 all details.
आपण केते तारिख रे डाक करथिले.
Deduction day, reversal date ta sir मानिनी मु affidavit रे देई
देती. Yes.
आपण देखि दिबे ला.
Yes, ma'am. But till let the interim order continue. Interim order continue.
Interim order continue. Next copy.
Open number 3 minutes, I have filed those two statements. They may brought on record.
ठीक है.
Statement उडा कॉपी दियो.
Next.
Interim order continue. Yes.
32.
See, take proper instruction, mister.
Yes, ma'am.
Get the actually bank statement आने ला अपन detail जाना पूरा latest पूरा next date तक पूरा नहीं गया इसलिए ला.
I have given the bank statement details.
ठीक है, let him.
Yes.
Next.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, at the last occasion, honorable the learned opposite parties took time to file their counter. The counter hasn't been served to us, lordship.
Okay, party. 2 weeks time to file the counter. 30th November. Next.
33.
Item 33, I am on BC, my lord. Next week, my lord, file counter affidavit, my lord.
Okay, loan counsel with
Today mentioned.
opposite party, 6.
I'm for
What
the
time to file the counter? You are for?
I'm for the petitioner and second case I'm for the opposite.
Opposite. Let him file the counter affidavit. Okay. Counter.
I'm in the first case, my lord.
Listen, first case. And the second, you are filing the counter affidavit. In the second case, you are the petitioner.
Second case, see, I'm not high counter.
You want to file counter? In the second case,
Counter.
ଆପଣ କାହା ପାଇଁ ଅଛନ୍ତି? ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ତ?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ହଉଛି ରଞ୍ଜନ କୁମାର ଦୋରା।
ରଞ୍ଜନ କୁମାର ଦୋରା। So you are the petitioner, so bank file କରିବ।
Bank
In the second case, you file the counter. You are for the bank, na?
I am in the first case, my lord. I am for complainant, my lord. Opposite party number 1.
Bank ପାଇଁ କିଏ appear କରୁଛି? ICICI Lombard ପାଇଁ କିଏ କରୁଛି?
Senior advocate Mr. Sodangi, my lord. Santanu Sodangi, my lord.
Bank, you are filing the bank.
I am for the ISS bank.
You are filing the reply.
No, my lord, I am filing the
second matter, sir. Second.
33 items.
The connected matter, you are filing the reply.
1 and 2, I am filing the consular.
Oh, ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ନ ଶୁଣିକିରି ଖାଲି ବଲ ବଲ। Second case ରେ you are the opposite party.
Yes, my lord.
Are you filing the reply? I am asking.
No, more time required, my lord.
Not required. You don't want to file reply?
No, more time required, my lord. 2 weeks time.
ମୁଁ କଣ କହୁଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇଟା ତ କହୁଛି ଏ ବୁଝନ୍ତୁ ତ ପାଣି ଟିକେ ଦିଅ ପିଇବେ
ଦୌଡ଼ି ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସିଡିରେ କାମ କରୁନି
ପାଣି ଟିକେ
ନାଇଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି
ନା ପାଣି ଟିକେ ପିଇବାକୁ
ନା ଓକେ ମାଇଲା
ଏତେ ଆରାମ ସେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବଲ ସୋ ଆମେ ତଳକୁ ପଳେଇବା କି ସୁବିଧା ହବ ଓକେ ସୋ with the bank is the insurance company 2 weeks time to file the reply. And you want 2 weeks time to file the in the first case, opposite
first case,
2 weeks time to file the reply. In the second case, opposite party insurance company 2 weeks time to file the reply. List the matter on 1st December. 1st December.
My lord, interim shall continue. My lord,
interim to continue.
My lord, I am serving the copy.
Car copy.
Consular petition, my lord. Your directed noting is there, my lord. Consolation petition, my lord. Court title.
Petition. Filed by the petition. Bank, insurance company has been submitted and accepted by the next.
Item 34.
34.
Yeah, please minutes. The counter affidavit was supposed to be filed by the bank.
Bank. Yeah, for the bank.
My lord. My lord, 1 week time for may be granted for filing of counter affidavit.
For the bank, 1 week time to file the counter affidavit. List the matter on 29th November.
Just one request to the my lord, sir. Your lordships have directed me to file an IA for amending for including RBI as one of the parties.
What is that matter?
That matter is relating to challenge made to the master circular of fraud and declaration of fraud. So one was the willful defaulter matter, lordships had decided. This was pertaining to other matter with respect to the declaration of fraud.
So I passed order.
Your lordships had passed order to implead as party.
RBI.
RBI, my lords.
RBI party.
I've already filed an IA.
Regional manager.
Lordships had asked me and regional director.
Regional director.
I've already implemented, my lords. It's in
application is allowed. Okay.
Oblige.
Next.
Oblige.
Item 35.
Item 35, my lord, kindly pass.
Password.
My lord, 35. My lord, just for a moment. My lord, what has happened in this?
Your father?
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Petitioner.
Your lordship.
Mr.
My lord, Mr. Patnaik is leading.
Patnaik is for
the petitioner. He's leading me, my lord.
Not this, I'm not in a position to appear before lordship today, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord.
What happened to you? Not in a position means what?
I'm so sorry, my lord. No, I'm here. The only difficulty here, the only issue is that we have come to now, because we are appealing for the resolution professional, we have now come to know that the entire assignment of the loan of PNB has been assigned to someone else. So it is PNB will no longer be actually fighting this case. So we need to probably...
which is the new avatar?
That my
CFM Asset Reconstruction Private Limited. CFM Asset Reconstruction Private Limited, Mumbai.
We have come to know about that today, my lord. Lordship would call it some
So
other.
now
day to
that party has to be made party.
Yes, your lord.
Yes, my lord.
You make party.
We'll make party, we'll have to substitute PNB, my lord. PNB has now no role to play.
Obviously. I learned the petitioner to substitute the Punjab National Bank with, what is that name?
Messrs. CFM Asset Reconstruction Private Limited, Mumbai.
Messrs. CFM
Asset Reconstruction Private Limited, Mumbai. Mumbai.
पूरा एड्रेस देख रिकॉर्ड
आगे सी पूरा कैटेगरिकली हमको पीएनबी ही मेल करथला, so this is a copy of that.
file an application for
We'll file an IA, my lord. We'll file an
accordingly the petitioner shall file an affidavit. You are appearing for the CFM. CFM.
PNB.
You are for the
I'm for PNB.
PNB no more. They are saying PNB बेच दिया. Asset reconstruction company को दे दिला.
बिक्री कर.
The PNB will be party. PNB will be made party.
So the issue is.
But the asset reconstruction company can also be made party.
My lord, now it is for the asset reconstruction company whether they want to proceed with this matter or not, and they have to be implemented and brought before your lordships.
Let them implement them as
They
party.
can't declare it willful defaulter. It's a bank.
My lord,
It's a
my lord, my kind.
recovery company. The issue is that suits them because they're enjoying ex parte order. The issue is whether this matter falls in the IBC or not. That's the crux of the issue.
Correct.
The declaration of willful defaulter will fall.
I think the declaration of willful defaulter is a different exercise altogether.
Yes.
I had in the recently, 1 month back, I had passed an order with that Pratik was there in each case. So in that case, that he wanted that he should not be declared a willful defaulter because he has given the loan, blah blah blah. So that's I don't remember what
Because
I have
the
passed
willful
what I
defaulter
don't.
process is only restricted to dissemination of the report to the credit
Correct,
companies.
correct.
The section 14 IBC.
Get ready. Let's hear the matter.
Yes, your lordship. My lord, the
First of all,
locus
here-
of PNB right now is in question. My lord, my learned senior may kindly take instructions.
Even if
because-
PNB not there, the question is totally different.
Yes, my lord,
Their
because
role is scanty.
my lord, what I'm
we are one thing, whether he should be declared as willful defaulter or not, right?
Right, your lordship. My lord,
Because
that
of
is a
that.
question to be
So,
decided.
which are the parameters for
Right, your
declaring
lordship.
you the willful defaulter?
Indeed, your
If you
lordship.
meet the parameter, you are. If you don't meet, you are not.
Prior to that, this willful defaulter process completed, declared, but by virtue of lordship's stay order, was not
Let's do one
communicated
thing.
not communicated to the customer.
Thursday, kali ready karo, argue karo, khatam.
No, my lord, just a moment. My lord,
Quality difficult. Lordship would call it any day after 25th March.
After
25th, any day after 25th, my lords.
25th.
For its semi
28 laga, 28 final year. How godele havan. Gode gode chalti nahi. How goda gode nahi, kago goda ke devini.
NCLT pending it is as if
Pending tha kon dala. It
That's the
NCLT
issue. That's the issue
NCLT issue.
precisely.
He is saying whether the issue is pertaining to NCLT or not. If it is that IBC issue is there or not. If IBC is not there, things are not there.
If the lordship decide that this issue doesn't come within the section, section 14 moratorium.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it. If pending, it doesn't affect you. Pending is a different issue.
your lordship may kindly just for a moment visualize. My lord, my learned senior.
I am not visualizing anything.
My lord, we have to
First
make them.
thing, as Mr. Panigrahi is right. First of all,
My lord, his locus to make this submission. My lord, may kindly imagine the locus to make this submission even. My lord, this dates have already been assigned. My lord, this is locus. He can't be, my lord. That is what I have submitted before your lordship. Shown the letter of PNB, what has been written. Your lordship may kindly see the letter once again. My lord, may kindly see that letter. My lord, his locus to make submissions today.
You give him a copy.
I have given him a copy, my lord. It is his letter. My lord, may kindly see this letter for a moment. From, my lord, would mark Zonal Sastra Bhubaneswar.
To inform you that the caption account has been transferred, assigned to Messrs. CFM so and so. Mumbai.
You are requested to make further NCLT related correspondence to the said ARC. My lord, the entire debt has been assigned. Now, my lord, he has got no right to even make a submission of this.
He has to make party.
Yes, my lord.
You have
My
already.
lord, what is his locus today?
आपने हाथ उठा लिया है.
Yes, my lord. Why is he making this submission? Does he have instructions? Let him clarify on that.
Let you make him
Counsel.
party.
My lord, let him take
Not implemented.
Yes, that is what we are bringing it to.
Don't ask the my locus.
My lord, I'm addressing the lordship. You might please don't take it personally.
Including party. No,
My lord, we would
don't
implement him a
work
party.
personal attack.
My lord, this is not a personal attack. I'm addressing your lordship.
He may not be knowing that.
Yes, my lord. So that is why, my lord, we are communicating.
Thus, you can speak better English than you can. You have attack personal. That's not good.
No, I can address whether I have locus or not because it's ARC company. It's ARC company.
Unless personally can also.
No, exactly, my lord.
Our client ମାନେ ହଉନଥିବେ ଆପଣ ମାନେ personality କାଇଁ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ସକାଳ ବେଳେ ପୁଣି ଏଠି ଦେଖାଇବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କାଇଁ ଏମିତି ହଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛି ସ୍ଲୋ ଇଂଲିଶ ଇଜ ଗୁଡ୍ ଇଂଲିଶ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ ଅଧିକ ଜୋରରେ କହିଲେ ଏମିତି ସବୁ ବାହାରିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା my lord, so my lord, may permit us, my lord, we would make them a party. We'll file an IA, my lord, and my
That's
lord.
what I'm saying.
Yes, your lordship.
CFM Asset Reconstruction Private Limited as a partner, Mumbai as a partner. Next, this matter on 28th, है
For final hearing.
For final hearing, final hearing. How say that time magi bani.
Like CRC appear करिवे CRC आंसर करिवे
ସିଏ ଆସିବେ ତାଙ୍କୁ notice ହବ my lord.
Final hearing
My lord, ତାଙ୍କୁ notice ହବ ସିଏ ଆସିବେ my lord.
Notice ହବ notice right time ରେ ପଠେଇଲେ ହବ
My lord, ସେ IA ଟା implement କରିକିନା my lord ଆସୁ my lord let out take.
ମାନେ ଲେଟ୍ କରନ୍ତି ଫଟକିନା ଆସିଯାନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆମେ ତାକୁ ପାର୍ଟି କରିକି
registered post
ନା ନା my lord IA ହିଁ file ହେଇନି
IA file करना
file करू my
IA file कला ପରେ ମୁଁ ତାହେଲେ ତାକୁ day after tomorrow ଲଗନ୍ତୁ
Then file an notice.
My lord, the RP is there in
day
Kolkata.
after tomorrow IA file करंतु
My lord, the RP is there in Kolkata. Signature थी कि आस्था को it will take at least 2 days, 3 days time. Lordship, may call it on Monday or for that matter.
Monday कर
So that signatures and the things can be done in the
Monday
meanwhile.
ठीक है right next
My lord, the interim orders to continue.
36 interim order to continue
My lord, the interim orders. Great.
36 এই ম্যাটার को ধরিକି बार-बार ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ଟାଇମ ନେଇ ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି 5 ଥର ଏଡଜନ ନେଲେଣି ଆଉ 5 times adjournment this can't be allowed
I bow down your lordship. I bow.
36
36 ରେ ନୋଟିସ ଯାଇଥିଲା ସେ ଆପ୍ୟାର କରନାନ୍ତି
କିଏ appear କରିଛନ୍ତି
ଏଡି ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ରେ ନୋଟିଂ ଲିଷ୍ଟ
କଣ ହେଇଛି
My lord, I'm appearing for opposite part number 4.
ନା କହିବେ ନା ଖାଲି opposite partner କୁ
Siddhi Lakshmi Motors.
ହଁ କହିବେ ନା IRD ହେଲେ କି
Amendment region.
କଣ ହେଇଛି
ହଁ amendment ହେଇଯାଇଛି 3
2 and 4 ପରେ valid service ହେଇଛି 1 and 3 ହେଇଛି
IRD କି ହେଇଛି କି
ନା IRD କି ଆସିନି
IRD ଆସୁ
already amendment ହେଇଛି
ହଁ
IRD
କଣ
amendment is party is amended IRD not party
ନା ତ କି ପାର୍ଟି ତାଙ୍କୁ ନୋଟିସ ହେଇଯାଇଛି
1 2 3 4
1 to 1 କିଏ
1 ହଉଛି insurance
Two are the insurance companies.
2
Two is also insurance.
2 ହେଇଯାଇଛି 3
is CD Motors
C is appearing for 3, I am appearing for 4.
4 ତ all ହେଇଯାଇଛି
Only 1 2 insurance.
1 to କିଏ
1 to say insurance company
କୋ insurance
4 ये से ही
insurance କିଏ
टाटा एज
टाटा एज ରେ କିଏ ନାହାନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ହେଇଛି ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କର ସର୍ଭିସ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହେଇଛି
ନା
1 3 କେହି appear କରନାହାନ୍ତି ନୋଟିସ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି
ନୋଟିସ ଯାଇଛି
1 3
କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହେଇନି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଚାନ୍ସ ଦିଆଯିବ ଫ୍ରେଶ ନେଇ 1 1 3 ତ 1 2 let fresh notice be issued to 1 and concept of the petitioner to take dasti service नियंत्रण बोला dasti service to take dasti in favor of 1 2 okay this is the matter on 6th December next
My lord, may direct to serve amendment cause directly.
yeah amendment कर देंगे next
item 37 37 sir adjourn
38
38
38
after the petition.
In item 38, my lord, I have received the copy of the consolidated representation, my lord, last date. I pray for 2 weeks time to file a counter, my lord.
Okay. Lord concept of the petition 6 to stand
Opposite party.
Opposite
I'm for the opposite party.
opposite
4.
Opposite party
4.
6 to stand to file the counter. This is the matter on 11th December.
My lord.
Interim to continue.
Interim to continue. Next.
Item 39.
39. Item 39. No, ମୁଁ ଆପଣ କଣ କହିଥିଲି?
ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ସେ କପିଟେ ସର୍ଭ କଲେ ଆମେ ଯାଇକି ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଲୋକାଲ ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ ଥ୍ରୁରେ ସର୍ଭ କରେଇବୁ।
ହଁ।
She has not solved the copy yet.
ସଫ୍ଟ କପି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, କପି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ହଁ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେଉଛି ସେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଦିନ ହେଇଗଲା ସେଇ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ
ଗୋଟେ କପିଟେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଦେଇଦଉଛି।
So list the matter on 22nd. Next.
Item 40.
40.
My lord, in this case, I have to file my rejoinder.
Sorry?
I named already.
Reflect.
I approach 68.
Not.
Same matter. Brother in the nominee. Those beneficiaries will be here.
You take instruction.
You have also filed that dispute of arbitration. We want to the date of the and
Today, what do you want to do?
My lord, I have to file the rejoinder.
You file the rejoinder. Okay. हाँ छोटा जिनसे rejoinder counter करके अपने time waste questions करते हैं। कौन मैटर जे rejoinder counter कर time waste करते हैं? छोटा nominee रो पैसा पाएगा ऐसे rejoinder ना counter को नहीं लंबे चलती। किसी ऐसे किसी दरकार नहीं गोटे दिन रे सर जाएगा था। फालतू डे counter rejoinder फिर 2 हफ्ता time 2 हफ्ता time ये routine बने दे लेनी। किसी भी मैटर था जो तेरे संगे संग भी ही पारू। ये counter rejoinder का मन unnecessary time waste। किसी नहीं से कैसे खाली टालना हो जाता। Next. Anyway, next. Okay, 21st. Next. Next.
Item 41.
41.
41 in item number 41, we have already received the PWC last week, my lord. We have called them. Another week may be granted. File the
Lord Council of the State 6 1 week time to file the counter affidavit. List the matter on 22nd, 23rd. Next.
Much over.
42.
42.
My lord, I'm for the petition. I have already filed the. I'm for the opposite party. I have already filed the.
What is the issue?
Not the appointment. I have already filed the rejoinder. Sorry, they have to file the rejoinder.
The issue is let submission of residential certificate as well as caste certificate. Whether that can be accepted.
Let it come for filing of rejoinder.
I'm for the opposite party number 6.
You are the selected candidate.
No, I am.
You are the selected.
I'm selected candidate.
Who is the petitioner?
I am.
So why is you are the petitioner? Why? You are the selected candidate. You have been.
I am selected and I was appointed. My appointment was challenged by them.
Your appointment
and the ADM has quashed my appointment. That is
why. On what ground?
Let submission of caste certificate and residential certificate.
I have given an undertaking and that was allowed and I have applied, but due to the computer problem, the certificate and I have the highest mark secured and amongst and I am
continuing now.
Continuing.
कितने वर्ष वाला?
2 वर्ष वाला continue.
This is there is a decision of the this
Mr. Bibi Mahanti bhi nahanti.
There is a guideline has been provided and advertisement has been done. The CDPO has no authority to extend anything.
The CDPO corner, the committee.
The committee. Your lordship kindly see para 7.
Bibi Mahanti sir, Nahanti, that is why he has told me that she is the opposite party council. He is junior.
Okay, list the matter on 12 December. Next.
Interim order to continue.
Interim order to continue. Next.
Item 43.
43.
The lordship, though counter has been filed by the state council, the lordship rejoinder is necessary and in the meantime I'll take instruction and file the same.
What is the issue? What is the issue?
Your lordship, this is matter related to disengagement.
Rejoinder counter कितने क्वेश्चन दियो?
At the time of selection, the petitioner has submitted a fourth certificate.
After rendering your lordship 33 years of service, the Anganwadi worker has been disengaged.
So because of fourth certificate.
Your lordship, whether it is for genuine or ingenuine, it is your lordship, some inquiry is necessary.
The headmaster has given that report On the inquiry, the headmaster has submitted a report that he has never been to the school, to that school.
The
I've
first
annexed-
certificate the good angle. Out এটা এইটা
This is the fourth certificate.
You are saying never acha
The headmaster of the school,
कितने को class the fourth certificate?
7th.
Oh, মানে he was never
Never
admitted.
been admitted to that.
33 again
33 for ହେଲା ମାନେ fraud vitiates everything.
Your lordship,
हाँ पूरा beginning to
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
33 हो कि 40 हो ଯିବ ପୁରା ଚାକରି
your lordship ଦେବେ
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ତ ଜେଲ ପଠେଇବା କଥା
ଆଜ୍ଞା your lordship I will listen.
ଭୁଲଭାଲ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ପୁରୁଣା ଗାଳିଆ କଥା ଛାଡ
OBC
ଏତେ 33 ବର୍ଷ କଲାଣି ଛାଡିଦିଅ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରିଦଉଛି ହେଲା
ସେଥିଲାଗି criminal proceeding ହେଇନି ବୋଧେ।
ଓବିସି ସାର୍ ଏ କଣ ସେ ହେଇଛି ପୁଣି ସାର୍ ଟିକେ କାଉଣ୍ଟରଟା
ଆରେ ସାର୍ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରିଦଉଛି ଆପଣ you going to save yourself get it dismissed କିଛି ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଅଧିକା ମୁଁ ନହେଲେ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେବି ଆଉ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କର କହିବି ସେ ସବୁ କଲେ ପୁଣି ଅସୁବିଧା ପଡିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ଆସୁ ଟିକେ
ଆସିବ
କାଉଣ୍ଟରଟା
ହଉ
ପଢି
ଖାଆନ୍ତୁ କାଣୁ ପୁରା ପ୍ରପର ଅର୍ଡର ଲେଖିବି ତାର ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର କରିବି ତ ଓକେ 1 week time granted for rejoinder this the matter 29th final hearing 29 ହେଲା ଆଉ ଟାଇମ ନେବେନି
ନା ଆଉ ସାର୍
29 ଟାଇମ ନେବେନି ଆଉ କେହି ଟାଇମ ନେବେନି 29 month ସେଇଦିନ
Find the counter.
ନା କାଉଣ୍ଟରଟା ମୁଁ ରିସିଭ
Next.
କରୁଛି କ୍ଲର୍କ ଇଏ କରୁଛି କହିଲା ଏବେ ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ।
ହଉ ହେଲା final hearing. Next.
44.
Pardon my lord, I am in virtual mode. My lord,
The 44.
my lord, kindly turn to page 9, order of this.
ସାର୍ ଜିନିଷ କେସ୍ ଟା କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟର୍ନ ପେଜ 9 ପରେ ମୁଁ ଆଗ ମୋ କୋର୍ଟର ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କେସ୍ କହିବେ ତାପରେ ପେଜ 9 ପେଜ 8 କରୁଛନ୍ତି
This Hon'Ble court had passed an order that the 4 lakhs ex gratia the opposition will pay the railway.
you are for the
I am for the petitioner, madam.
petitioner
Yes, madam.
so ex gratia for what
Railway accident expired.
ଆପଣ ଟିକେଟ ହୋଲ୍ଡର
No, no, ticket order of this Hon'Ble court.
କେମିତି ରେଲୱେ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ କେମିତି ହେଲା
Railway accident, he without level crossing, unmanned level crossing.
ଲେଭେଲ କ୍ରସିଂ ଅନମ୍ୟାନ ଲେଭେଲ କ୍ରସିଂ ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କର ଅଛି ନାହିଁ ତ ସ୍କିମ ରେ ନାହିଁ ସ୍କିମ ରେ ନାହିଁ ଅନମ୍ୟାନ ଲେଭେଲ କ୍ରସିଂ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ନାହିଁ ପଇସା
4 ଲକ୍ଷ ଆଉ ଡି ସେ କୋର୍ଟ ଆଉଟ କରି 4 ଲକ୍ଷ
ସାର୍ କେମିତି ଅନମ୍ୟାନ ପାଇଁ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ସେଠି ଝପେଇ ହଉଥିଲେ କି ଆପଣ ଯାଉଥିଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ସେଠିକି ଆପଣ ଯିବେ କୋଉଠି ଯାଇକି ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ କରାଇବେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ରେଲୱେ କାହିଁ ପଇସା ଦେବ
ନାଇଁ ଏକ୍ସ ଗ୍ରାସିଆ
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେଟ ହୋଲ୍ଡର ଯଦି ଥିବେ ଟ୍ରେନରେ ପଡିଗଲେ କଣ ହେଲେ ପଇସା ମିଳିବ ନମ୍ବର 1 କିମ୍ବା ମେନ୍ କ୍ରସିଂ ଥିବ ସେଠି ହେଲେ ପଇସା ମିଳିବ ଆପଣ ଅନମେନ୍ କ୍ରସିଂ ରେ ପଶିବେ କିଏ କଣ କରିବ ତାଙ୍କର ନାହିଁ ସେ ସ୍କିମ ଅନମେନ୍ ବାଲାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ନାହିଁ
ଦିସ୍
ଅନରେବୁଲ କୋର୍ଟ କେତେ କଣ ପାସ୍ କରୁଛି ମୁଁ ପାସ୍ କରିବିନି ମୁଁ ଆଇ ନଟ୍ ଗୋଇଂ ଟୁ ପାସ୍ ରଙ୍ଗ ଅର୍ଡର
ଅଲରେଡି ପାସ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଛି
ହୋଇଥାଉ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ବୋଲି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଅନମ୍ୟାନ୍ଡ କ୍ରସିଂ ରେ କାହାକୁ ଦିଆହେଇଛି ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ପାସ୍ ଇମିଡିଏଟଲି
ନାଇଁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ୟୁର ଲର୍ଡସିପ୍ ଆର୍ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଦେମ୍
ତ ଆପଣ ଅଛି କି ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି
ହଁ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ତ ଅଛି
ହଁ ଅଛି କହିଦେଲେ ହେବ ଦେଉନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ ପାଇଁ ତାହେଲେ ସବୁଥର ଅଛି ବୋଲି
ଏଇଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ କ୍ୟାରି ଆଉଟ୍ କରେନି ଅର୍ଡର ଅଫ ଦିସ୍
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ସବୁ କଥା ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିବାର ନାହିଁ ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଅଥରିଟି ଯଦି ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ କହିଛି ଯେ ଅନମ୍ୟାନ୍ଡ ବାଲାକୁ ବି ଦିଆ ହଉଛି ଦେयर ଇଜ नो बार आई कैन ग्रांट यू एंड इफ यू से ओनली सिंपली एई कोड देइची सेई कोड देइची न देखिकरी आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू पास इन योर सो दैट इज द क्रक्स वेदर ଅନମ୍ୟାନ୍ଡ फाइल करो
ଏଇଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି ମୂଳ କେସ୍ ସରିଯାଇଛି
ମୂଳ ଜୁଳ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଆପଣ ମତେ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଲେ ଯଦି ଦିଆହେଇଛି ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି ବାସ୍ ଆଉ ଆପଣ ମୂଳ କେସ୍ ଡାଳ କେସ୍ କଲେ ହବନି
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଦିସ୍ Hon'Ble court has passed the order
ଦିସ୍ Hon'Ble court might have passed many orders କୋଉ ସିଚୁଏସନ କୋଉଥିରେ ପାସ୍ କରିଥିବ କଣ ହେଇଥିବ ସେ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ସର୍କଲ କଣ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଆଉ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଦେଇଦେବି
ଆପଣ ଦେବେ my humble submission they have not carried out the order of this Hon'Ble court that's all
ଏଇଟା କଣ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ କି କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ଏଟା ରିପ୍ୟୁଟେସନ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଦିସ୍ କ୍ୟାରିଡ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ କଲେ
kindly see the order
ଆଉ ମୁଁ କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ସି ଆଉ ମୁଁ କିଛି କରୁନି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଇଜ ଇଟ୍ ଏ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ
no not the one.
it is not contempt then why should I bother about all these things I have to relook it afresh read petition file question I will go afresh why should see other order
Contempt would have filed within the.
ଯଦି ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ ନ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କମ୍ପ୍ଲାଏ ନ ହେଲା ଆପଣ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ ଯଦି କହିବେ ନ ହେଲା I would have seen and now you have filed a writ petition afresh so I will go by that afresh. I have to look I have to revisit the thing afresh.
My lord, the order of the Supreme Court twice.
ସାର୍ ଏତେ କଥା କହନ୍ତୁନି ମତେ ଅଥରିଟି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଅର୍ଡର ନେଇକି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଖତମ ଆଉ ଏତେ କଥା ନାହିଁ. Show me the authority I will pass order.
Last time the lordship direct.
Last time I don't remember. କାଲି କଣ ଖାଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମନେ ଅଛି ମୋର କଣ ମନେ ଥିବ
ଆପଣ hotel ରେ କହିଲେ whether they will pay the interest.
କାଲି କଣ ଖାଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମନେ ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ କଣ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିଥିଲି ମୋର ଥୋଡି ମନେ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହୁଛି ଆପଣ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ.
My lord, ଖାଲି ଦିଟା order କାଟେ ଦେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ last ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇଏ order.
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଖିବିନି ଆପଣ ମତେ ଅଥରିଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବି ହେଲା. Concept of the petitioner to show the authority wherein the person crossing the unmanned level crossing has been awarded compensation by the railway. ହେଲା.
Not compulsory.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି କିଛି ଅଛି ଅଛି ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କିଛି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଖାଲି ଏମିତି ପଳେଇ ଆସିକିରି ଏଠିକି ଆସିକିରି ହବନି ଖାଲି ପାଟିରେ କଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଡରଟେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କେସ୍ ଲ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା. I have told him to give case law in his favor. You tell give case law in your favor.
One more thing is that it has arisen out of another writ petition and there are certain things.
ঠিক আছে ଆପଣ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ.
I'll give a written notice of submission.
Yes, along with that those authority ହେଲା give the authority list the matter on 29th 30th ହେଲା. Next 45
Item 45. Item 45. We have entered appearance for OP number 2 and 3, my lord, only yesterday. I am seeking some time, my lord, for filing counter. My lord.
Okay, Lord Constable, the OP number 2 and 3. 2 weeks time to file the counter. List the matter on 6th December. Next.
I am acting OP number 1.
You file your counter. Next.
46.
Last occasion, it was pleased to issue notice and according to requisite was filed and notice is made sufficient to OP number 1. So far OP number 2 is concerned, he is yet to. But he has not yet appeared. The required service of notice, OP number 1 has not yet appeared, and so far OP number 2 is concerned.
Just another notice by Dasti. Can I give a Dasti notice? Lord Constable petitioner.
OP number 2.
Take a Dasti notice, issue notice afresh, and let Dasti be served to the OP number 2.
In fact, I have claim against OP number 1.
ठीक है जी.
As you also.
दो claim against OP number 1. List the matter on 28. Next.
In the meantime, I will take steps for fresh notice.
Yes. Dasti pen.
Yes.
47.
47 will be taken up after lunch, madam.
Well, item 47, your lordship, I'll take item. The 47 on the last occasion, your lordship was directed to produce the records. My lord. You have sought for that record, it has not come.
What is the record?
The records with regard to the record statement on the basis on which 2BCC case number 3 2021 was registered.
You have not
No, that record.
So let it be obtained by him. List the matter on कब 22, 23, 24 कब
Your lordship may fix it on 24th.
24th. 24. Next.
Item 48.
48.
I am appearing for the opposite but not 2, my lord. I am appearing for the opposite but not 2.
Opposite party number?
2, victim.
Who is the petitioner?
I am the petitioner. This case, I have challenged the rejection order against the rejection order of framing of charge. The offense under section 498. My lord, in other offense along with 376.
What is the ground?
The ground that, my lord, the petitioner is the husband. Allegation made against that he was insisted to keep relations with his younger brother. That is the allegation of the victim. The petitioner 1 is the, my lord, husband of the informant.
she has stated that she was instructed to, allowed by the husband, by her husband, to keep relations with the allowed, with the younger brother of the petitioner, my lord. That is the allegation. And charge was framed against the my lord petitioner and petitioner number second wife at the alleged that the petitioner number 2 is the second wife of the petitioner 1. That is the allegation. In against her, my lord, also 376 offenses made out.
Sir, what is the ground?
So no ground is, my lord, the 376 offense is not made out against the petitioner 1 and 2, my lord.
Why?
Well, they have not, my lord, keeping relations with the petitioner, the informant, my lord. No allegation against him, my lord. Only allegation that the petitioner 1 are instituted to, my lord, to keep relations with the younger brother of petitioner.
Only instigation.
Yes, sir, instigation.
Nothing.
No. Nothing, my lord.
What do you are for?
I am for the victim, my lord.
Victim.
My
What do you say?
Lordship, can I have glance to page 34, my lord? Second para, my lord. Bhrungraj Singh is the petitioner, my lord. Bhrungraj Singh, I am the opinion that there is sufficient ground for presuming that the accused person, namely
You
Bhrungraj
are reading
Singh,
which paragraph?
second paragraph, my lord.
Second paragraph.
My lord.
Hard on the petition. It starts with that. Is that?
No, my lord. Peruse the record.
Record number. Page कितने कर ले?
34.
34.
34. Oh, sorry.
My lord. Peruse the record of the case and the documents submitted.
Yes. Now
therewith. At the Learned Counsel for the accused person and the Learned Additional IPP on the point of charge. I am of the opinion that there is sufficient ground for presuming that the accused persons, namely Bhrungraj Singh, under section 498A, 324.
You are Bhrungraj Singh.
My lord.
Yes.
You are Bhrungraj Singh.
506, 34 IPC and 494, 495, 109, read with section 372F of IPC. And against Sangita Munda, my lord, 498A, 324, 506, 34 IPC, and 109, read with section 370. This is the abatement. 109, it relates to its abatement and it relates to 372N, on which offense he abated the offense, my lord. Therefore, lordship kindly have a glance to page 32, my lord. Page 32.
Yes.
From bottom, my lord, 10th line, my lord. It is prima facie found that the above accused person, being the husband and first wife of the husband of the victim lady, abated Balabhadra Singh, who is the brother of the husband of the victim lady, to keep physical.
Yeah, I gave a check of.
First time you come?
No, Millards.
After notice?
After
Your
Millards
father?
had passed a order on the previous date, directing 20% of the amount to be released in favor of the opposite party.
That has been done?
Order dated 19th October 2023.
You released that amount?
That's deposited with the court, Millards. The opposite party is taking steps to.
Okay.
ଆପଣ ସେଟା କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ ତାପରେ ଶୁଣିବେ.
You take the amount.
Millards.
You take the amount from the court.
In the meantime, I will prepare a short note and appraisal.
So when do I fix the matter?
Sometime in December.
5th December?
Millards.
5th December.
Let's see.
5th December for final hearing.
Okay.
Fix the matter on 5th December for final hearing. In the meantime, the petitioner to take steps to
The opposite party to take.
Sorry, I'm so sorry, sir.
My lords.
Opposite party to take this.
To obtain the amount from
the court already order achi.
Again,
Okay.
I'm grateful, man.
Okay. Next.
Item 50.
On behalf of Mr. Bharat Jali, my lord, next week, my lord.
Okay.
Lordship, I am for the opposite party, lordship. The petitioner not paid the
20 November. 20 November.
20th November, lordship.
Okay. After lunch.
of wood.
Vehicle not released
By the
despite
DFO,
court order.
yes, yes.
Is it there?
Yes. Mr. Kaur.
Please unmute Mr. Kaur. Kaur?
Yes.
Sumit.
My lord, this is Sumit.
Okay. Mr. Kaur, there was an order by the court to release the vehicle. Why have you not ordered to release the vehicle?
Yes, my lord, sir, the order was passed by Honorable JFMC Parjang, but the owner, sir, had not appeared before the concerned range officer and with the valid identity and ownership documents for which
So
the
that-
vehicles were not released.
That's why you have
And
not released. Okay.
Yes, sir. He
Lordship,
just
after that,
came.
they also said they'll release the vehicle on 27-23, Lordship.
Your client went to the.
Lordship, then thereafter he appeared.
They're saying they have appeared and you have not released.
No, sir. The same day he came and appeared before 2 p.m., but that day it was not there, not bought the documents for which we could not be releasing it.
But now you have
and,
released.
No, sir. We haven't. No, sir. Meanwhile, sir, there was a parallel 56 proceeding, sir, which
Maybe
was
maybe parallel proceeding, whatever maybe, sir. When the court passes an order, you have to respect the court's order. Otherwise,
Yes,
you'll be in big trouble. Don't you realize that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I do realize, sir. So
If you don't you have the attitude of not respecting the court order, so you have to pay heavy price for that.
sir, the document and owners, they can like
A document they
before me,
have
sir,
appeared before you, sir. Why don't you just if the document is not available, then you should have said, okay, come with the document at this time tomorrow. I'll release. They would have done it.
No way they have mentioned.
That you have
what
not done it.
document.
It's the attitude of not releasing and just harassing people. When
Sir,
you
sir,
are
tomorrow-
having, what do you do with those vehicles? That will all just will be parked there and they will just go waste. What benefit will it just yield to you? Tell me. There shall not be any benefit. Rather, it will be detrimental to your career. Yeah. This is not the way. Your officers should be very careful while dealing with court order. If you don't obey court order, then court will be at liberty to pass any order it likes against you, and that will be at the detriment of your career prospect. So be careful in the future.
Sir.
Right? You are quite a young officer. I'm not sparing
Noted,
you.
sir.
Otherwise,
Noted, sir.
I would not have spared you today. Be careful. Immediately release
Noted,
the
sir.
vehicle. Tell your client
Noted, sir. Noted.
to visit tomorrow.
I am suggesting one thing.
Yes.
Let him appear. Your fix a date.
That is what I'm saying.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying. The land council, the petitioner is directed to approach before the DFO, Denkanal.
Sir.
DFO Denkanal on Monday.
Lordship, tomorrow also is ready, Lordship.
Okay, tomorrow.
We'll file an affidavit to the effect that the vehicle has been released. because-
Monday, I'm fixing it Monday.
Lordship.
Monday at 2 p.m.
Lordship.
With ownership.
With all with the valid documents with respect to ownership. Then what are the other documents?
All the valid certificates and all.
Okay. All the required documents.
Yes.
Hala. And the DFO shall release the vehicle. Okay. Forthwith. Upon presentation of the such documents, the DFO shall release the vehicle forthwith. Full stop. According to disclosure.
Just made one line.
Yeah.
Let the petitioner cooperate with the confiscation proceeding.
Yes, yes.
So that
And it is made clear that the petitioner shall cooperate with the confiscation proceedings. Mr. Carr, you be careful in future. Whenever you are dealing with the court order, be very careful. You are
Noted, sir.
young. You're young in the career graph. Don't spoil your career graph in future.
Sir. Noted, sir.
Court orders. Yeah, be careful. Okay.
Noted, sir.
Presentation of the DFO, the knowledge dispense with. Next.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yeah. Next.
Item 51.
Item 51, your lordship may kindly see order dated 16/10/2023. The interim order your lordship was pleased to pass. The husband was directed, my lord, to allow the petitioner wife to stay in his house, but it is not done till today. And also interim maintenance was awarded, which was awarded by the trial court.
Which order are you saying?
16/10/2023.
1610.
My lord. Right.
So your wife is not allowed?
Yes.
Your father? Husband?
I am for the husband, but I was not aware of last occasion. I only appeared and filed.
So why are we not allowed?
No, I am not aware of this order, your lordship.
Yes, it is. He was
No,
awarded.
I am
It
not
is submitted before the trial court and he
No,
had
no,
appeared.
he is saying that I appeared on
Only
the
today-
last
my
occasion.
lord, today
and,
he-
it was put up for hearing today itself. I was
Him
not.
say something, he's saying
I
something.
was not aware of this order. I will take instruction to sort that home instruction.
He genuinely is saying that.
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି କଣ ହେଇଥିବ।
Okay, ठीक है।
All right.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
So learned counsel with the petitioner to take to verify about the wife about the order passed in the on 16/10/2023, allowing the petition the wife to stay with the house of the husband, and it shall ensure that the order of this court, the above order of this court stands complied with. Right?
And also to pay the maintenance.
And also you will verify whether maintenance has been paid or not.
Yes.
If not paid, he will take steps to pay the maintenance, interim maintenance in the meantime. Right?
Diplo.
Fix the date, 5th December.
Approximately extend the interim order, my lord, because it was till the date of appearance.
Mark, in the meantime, interim order extended to next.
Diplo.
Next.
With your permission, personal appearance of the policeman.
हाँ अपडेट पर्सनल अपीयरेंस में दूसरी डिस्पेंसरी है या आगे ऑर्डर हाँ लिखा है
52.
Pardon, my lord. I may be allowed on VC, my lord.
Yes, yes, please. No problem. You're allowed.
My lord.
ବହି ଯେତିକି ଦେଖା ରଖା ହେଇଛି ସେ ବହି କେବେ ଖୋଲା ହଉଛି ବି?
My lord.
ହଁ?
My lord.
ବୁଝୁଛନ୍ତି କାହିଁ ଲେଖା ଯାଉନି ସେ ବହି ସବୁ ଧୂଳି ଲାଗିଛି?
My lord, whenever necessary, my lord.
Not necessary. ତ କାହିଁ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ପଛରେ? Throw it. ଫୋପାଡ. Okay. What is the case?
My lord, by the order dated 19/10/2023, my lord has directed to pay the maintenance amount, and accordingly, my lord, on 31/10/2023, the petitioner has paid rupees 10,000, my lord.
10,000.
My lord.
Who is the opposite side? Here?
On behalf of Mr. A.K. Budhia, my lord. Your 10,000 check has been given, that was bounced.
Your check has been bounced, sir. क्या कर रहे हो? Why are you giving such check which is going to be bounced? That means you are from the beginning you are a fraud.
My lord, I will take
Those
instruction, my
who
lord.
give check and the checks are bound, they are fraud people. They are not a good people. ଯାହାର ପଇସା ନଥିବ ସେ check କାହିଁକି ଦେବ? First of all, just to get the shield of the court order. ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି ବୋଲି ପାର ପାଇଯିବି ବୋଲି.
And my another check was also, my lord, issued on 5/11/2023 of rupees 12,000, my lord.
That was not a.
अरे भाई ଏଇ केस ଟା କଣ ହେଲା यार पैसा ଦେଲେ ସେଟା बाउंस ହେଇଗଲା.
I will take instruction, my lord.
What instruction you will take? Your client is fraud. Tell your client to be honest. Otherwise, I'll again tell your client to be very harsh on that. ଆଉ cost ଲଗେଇଦେବି 50,000. ସେତେବେଳେ ଦୋଷ ଦେବେନି.
My lord, may allow one time.
ଏମିତି fraud କାମ କଲା ଆଉ 50,000 cost ଲଗେଇଦେବି ସିଧା. Don't blame me for that. ପଇସା ଚେକ୍ ତ ଦେବେ ଇଏ ହେବ କାହିଁକି ବାଉନ୍ସ ହେବ? ଫୋନ୍ ନାହିଁ ଥାଇ କାହିଁ ଚେକ୍ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରିବି? Those which issue fraud check, I mean this kind of A check which is dishonored, they are fraud people. They can never be called good people. Jani deliberately ଆପଣ ସେମିତି ଆଖିକି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ଯଦି ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ବସିଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ତାହେଲେ କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
My lord, may allow 1 week time, my lord.
within 5 days you are supposed to give the money by not by check but by draft now.
Yes.
Learned concept of the petitioner to hand over the draft instead of check in future. ହେଲା ଆଉ ଭରସା ନାହିଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ହେଲା
My lord.
draft କରିକି ଦେବେ ଆଉ check ନାହିଁ. To check it whether he has paid. If not paid, then paid it. The land concept of the petitioner to verify whether the check has been paid or not. If not paid, he shall pay within a period of 1 week from today by way of bank draft, not demand draft. Sorry, DD.
That paid and honored me. That check has paid and honored.
How come honored? Draft.
No. Your lordship has directed if not paid.
Paid. Paid. If not paid and honored. Not necessarily paid. Matlab that is presume that it is paid. I will say that honor or cost. Normal. Not paid. ସେ genuinely pay କରିଥିବେ ହେଲେ pay ହେଇଥିବ ଆଉ ଏମିତି fraud କାମ କରିବ ଗଲା draft ଦେବେ ଗଲା ଆଉ tell your client that don't play with the court ଆମ order comply କରୁଛୁ ବୋଲି ଯାହା ପରେ ତା ଗୋଟେ check ଟେ ଦେଇଦେବେ reasonable ହେଇବ ଲାଭ କଣ that is not honoring the court order that is violating the court order and violate court order violate कर सीधा cost କରିଦେବେ 50,000 ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବ again to that other side ହେଲା
Sorry, my lord. My lord, I will take instruction, my lord.
Take instruction and tell your client, warn your client.
My lord.
They try to play smart, then I'll make them smart. Next.
Matter will be listed, my lord.
Next date. 22nd. 22nd position clear again.
My lord.
Next.
53.
53.
May I please, Lordship, as order took, I am filing my counter affidavit today to my friend. Copy is sought.
ଏଠି କଣ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଏଟା କାଉଣ୍ଟର ନୁହେଁ ବୋଲି ଏଠି କଣ ହାତ ବଢେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି କାଉଣ୍ଟର
I will
never ever do this. This court is not a counter. ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି କଣ ପାଇଁ ଅଛି ଫାଇଲ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଅଛି ନା land concept of the petitioner to file rejoinder.
No, my lord.
You don't want to file rejoinder?
I will file. I will file.
Okay, file rejoinder. 1 week time is granted to petitioner. List the matter on 1st December. 1st December. Next.
54.
54.
I am for the opposite party. Opposite party wife. I am for the opposite party wife.
Petitioner 9.
Petitioner is absent.
None appears for the petitioner. It a call matter.
The challenge is made to the order passed in execution proceeding, but in fact it is not maintainable in revision.
So next 22nd. 26.
55.
55.
Diploma.
55.
On behalf of BS Daswarida, let's kindly taken up next week.
ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ତ ଟାଇମ ମାଗି ଆସିଲେ ମୁଁ ପ୍ଲେସଟା କହିବି ଲାଷ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା ଶୁଣିବି ଭାବୁଥିଲି ଏଟା ବି ନାହିଁ ଟାଇମ ମାଗି list the matter on 20th December ଆଉ ଏବେ ପାଖରେ
Let's say interim order to continue.
entry matter continue ଏଥିପାଇଁ ସବୁ ଏତେ ଲମ୍ବା କାହିଁ ଦେବି ମୁଁ ତାହେଲେ 4th December
Oblige.
4th December tell him not to take time this ନାହିଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଟାଇମ ଦେବିନି ହେଲା କୋଉ ମ୍ୟାଟର କଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ଖାଲି ଟାଇମ ନେବା ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ବି ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଖାଲି ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଖାଲି କଣ ଏଟା everybody doing the same counter rejoinder এটা করো সেটা করো ସବୁ ସରିଗଲା ବାସ୍
My lords, only, my lords. See, item 54 I was appearing for petition. I was of the impression it is 57. So by mistake, I could not, my lords. 54 I am for the petitioner.
54.
My lord, criminal division.
What do you want?
My lords, next date.
54
LCR not received.
Non.
See, I was just, my lord, I was of the impression.
Give your name.
My lord,